Nyankopɔn me da se wo de wa fidie no ato Adom TV. Dwumadi a metena ho adi ho chia me eye nkuranhye ensam. Na me a me de dwumadi ho chia me edi am je so eye ni tekotego. Ho te sai. Aidi ne wo ho. Enkoyie. Akoye kasa bi a eda ye nyina ya no. Enkoyie. Maware no. Ko mapomodine no. Aticha pansam. Adwuma no menya bi nye enkoyie. Se eba ne se abrabo nkoyie a. Enioma ya wota yo ne se obosobo. You blame yourself, you blame others. Obosobo. Ana you find excuses. Open chiremu de enti a enkoyie a ebi mfiriwo. Ana you criticize yourself. Media busua me free mo no. Media miti na enye. Media school amanko no. Media mission ade wo school ya mpaase me. Media nkrofo sika owe abusua mekoto omu media. You begin to criticize yourself. And many of us become harsh critics of ourselves when life gets difficult. Se ba ne se enkoyi a de a yemudu do ne yeta yo ne se ye hwe ye ho na yadane ye ho post ni ache ye ho akɔhye fiase se ye boy ho so boni se ye ka ne ma ensem fata egu ya bamu eme ye hu ye ho abomfia ase ye sem fata ase ye de abrabɔ no ye nka ho bi esan se bia ye duro no ayedina ne sa. Hard times come with challenges. Emira edine bia na ya na ehu na to da bia wonsan so se obetimi akora neoma enkoyie no so ebia opesika koto na ne sika ne bi ni ho benden ebia adwuma wo yo na kato e ma wo ne sua ti be ne den ebia wo yare ebia sebe anu aduro kra wunya aduro no kra board ne be ne den ena be ma na tifie ne sebe won fa ne die emma wo obu atantan de bi ana wo ba aware wo no so no ono so saa nti be ne den se misu se me di awrewo se me mambufu eno ne awasua be no nkire se eno ne ayeye ade ese wo ye ye nyina asua kwan bi efa so odi yi nyoma enkoyi ano abufuo oyawdie apidie so bobo eno na wasua enso eno na beboa wa na dabi nti na dey take a break transidin. Remain calm and reassure yourself. Na face show hun crying. Enkoye. I say, ana etete pansamba. Nenso kwambia so no. Ebeye. Remember, you cannot change anything but yourself. And you cannot change the things that are happening to you, but you can change your thoughts about what is happening to change you. Won't mean sisa nyoma ekoso no so. Ensho to won't mean kasa ensho jai, jinyanko pompe. Na enso betimi agire ensho mu ape bibia yo na so abamfo so. Ana betimi ensho na etoye no, betimi aboa no aye bibi. Esan adwen bi a badwene afeso tobre honti no. You can find meaning and purpose for your life. The trick is to identify what is positive whenever you are in crisis times. Ade no wonsan so. Na so na wo dwen adwenfi, adwen abonfi adwene, adwen a eya baguro, adwen ade awere ho na ebe. Wo mu ade no nkoyie. Se ubesi empa adaso adwen pa no. Adwen a wo dwen nyina ya adwen a enye. You see, you must have a sense of forward movement. Esa wa adwen kire o se me komanim. Papa bi o se ahwiase enye ya te se nia oka afom. Falling down is not as hurting as remaining down. What yahwe ntidien? Yempo asem ntidien. Wo yare ntidien na ese wo yo. Ya yade ato wo no emma biom ana emunya dine biom. Ede na ni se wo yo adwen be na ese wo dwene. E na adwen be na ese wo gyamu a be ma watenka ato yie na wapomudne ato yie. Minua, you must energize yourself with hope, and that's all. You must energize yourself with faith, GDA, and get to think about what you can do to move away from your limitations. Life limitations are in your mind. They are formed by your thoughts. They are formed by your self-talk. And when you change how you speak in your mind, you change how you respond in life. So also send your ma wo kan adwen prosua. Oba sakra wa tenka mu enyo ma wo yo. Wadwuma ye pamo wadwuma mu eya. Ene man kan na meboa na mremu adwuma bo wo eya nkasa. Nanso ya pamo wadwuma mu anya hwe. Saa na aba no. Tu betra ho ekope adura no mu awu. Be man so ampe obi mu eya. Ana be man mfa ni die ma wo a eya na ntidie. Ono pe ne be ma wo wiase. Hwe empani se ye tupun ba ko mu a ye wo pon dodo a ebehini amawo na de nti ahunu se epon dodo wo nti no ne se epon atomo na wo de na to so wo hwe when one door closes many other doors are available to open for you but you keep looking at the closed door and you miss the other doors simple yare semre ya maya ne hye won kuran na pe bibi foforo a wo de abrabo beyo ne mpo yare no entu enkonanim eyi we de abrabo mu eye adwuma na ye pamo wo no enye wo na wo ye obibie ebia na wo mere na aso se pamo wo nti de pa adwuma foforo na fa onsa ye se de tie bia no find meaning and find purpose to look at what you can do every day with your life na apfe fa kade ya na manfo se ni te ko woni ma krache bi frame o se ni te ko mi ko pa asanse me kodo sanse ne kwa board ni esen sika minya na bosome enye da krope na de do hwe pe sika na fasie kakra se de tie bia obanya bi e de aboaba ababo no abubra baba ye ebo enyo bi na babo amawo wankasa na babu bra ma ho na ade edi ka de babu bra adwene a wodwene the rituals on your mind become the limitations akwabe o say your life results are products of your thoughts and your actions wa bra bo nso so no ne fapem ene wadwene ene won ye onipa bia wa wade usikasem uye die wanije fapem enyina so ene wadwene ene won ye simple ene na wonni bia ene nkire se wo kina wonya bi ene na wonni bia wo fatimu popapa ekenya ho ehye ho nkran epe bibi eyo ede wonsa eka kwan bi aso no kwan be bia ma na mafo ya yempe osom yempe adwumade ne epe ne hwehwe obi kan microwave life wo di hye mu ana ehye da bi abrabo yesa na tie abrabo no eyentoboase wo breyo abrabo ye wo breyo abrabo enye abaguro abrabo enye hwehwemade a process a movement to dakro no akoanim nanu ebo ya afimu ebo enfie bebre nanso se de tie bia no beduru be bia woko ye see so no ye say Rome was not built in a day so hwe wan na ka kire wo won ya me no hye ase no won nyina ye yie won ya me no hye ase no fa ha na woko yie na won na wo se nye one day akwa no fa na ye ono ne kranko na wo so kranko se de tie bia no betime to na montuo bi ya obi hunu bi da do sukoko mu na pe bibia okondo sa obeye ne yie na ye ne yie aya pra aya kasa ene ye bi obetime na die ya obi nye bi da na trase na bobo hu na hunu na wie ye o adwen poso ene ye fa no mindfulness ebi apese do abra bokodu okira no dwere ho ne se wapo mu di na wonya ya tenten wapo mu ya no agye ho me kakra ya no apemre apanyonko afa woni a betimi aboa wo adwempa ho your associations are also important ekuo bi ha na wadom ebia mo ye edu ana edu no mu a mo aboa kapra no se ye de sika we ko e bibi kabom de nkoso oba enye nkabom a mokɔ akɔwe nsa enye nkabom a nkabom akɔpɛ ma enye nkabom a yakɔpa de nsekuo enye nkabom a yakɔkabom akɔye de nsɛm fata emo nkabom de yoba nkabom a yɛka sika bomu akɔpɛ dwetire ayi bibi ɛbɛboa asamre obusia ana meja wo medasa wo de ofidie to Adom TV ehwɛ me onyame ehira no nyame entina.
Badwam ahyase ni tekotego yedase ene unkra hyesem wawie entime so me de badwam kase no to awoso ade edum akoten bia obete ene se wuto breko district court no ahyese rey a wawo ne ba na fu anan no de ne koto public toilet mu no emra no entwe na so afa nipa bi nso enam kwatikwa so na wotu anwea ewo eye ga south important ho no wo monso wo ho aka ebika we ho ema eye badwam kase me de ma metra diamond memoache Mesha kase na se de fi ewutu breko mensinim na court wo ho no akwa asetena ama her worship Naomi Kunto ahye se abaye ya na se reya wedding fresha edionusia 26 years na din ene Barakidu Amadu Maria no wo fa no enkonko gina emra no anim efise wo no ankasa ne ba wo na wadi enefu na 4 days no okoja ne to aban eja 9 bm anasa public toilet.
Omanfo bekaya Adom News ne betu dwa se mami bia na ye friend se Barakisu Amadu Maria ede ne ba wawo ne foforo ekoto ejanan mu we enam so ema dom na se aposifo eche mami na bra wo mu ekopie mu ewo court no eba betu dwa se mami esese wo kotwere aposifo ekokum na wo mu ensande ne ba ye November bosumi no eko ne wiye no na court entoa na asem no eso aposifo ede to dwa se ejanan ya mami ede ne bayi ekoto mi na emu do na ye 18 feet ano jabo free tumu ema papa bia na okosonchi ewo janan bia no enche no ano ohweye emom yi abofree emom roro ne
Woga South Kropono monso aposifo ena asrafo no wo mwaka bom akwakokyere enipa aduo no safo no djuma wodie ene se wo monam kwatikwa so ena wo mutu anwea ewo Saga South Kropono mo ewo enkramanta mo
see say ne usually is the entire South operation anytime about wo bush bia na say tip off ni farmers are esu ntina we ho ye wa hadom say from last week no a lot of complaints from farmers and citizens now more hadom no so quickly today the organizer who say ba be hwe de ekoso wa hadom ndi de ba no who say most of the report are farmers they by say a sub farm nyamani mo godi just by heart no e won say sanity so you arresting machines no e be free machine owners no there be some whoever give them the opportunity and I said the opportunity to come here to do the sound winning ewa
Ninyinemu no assembly member wo Oduman Osuaba electoral area shall stay at the atuja say one mu a wonam kwati kwan so etu anwea ewo empotemu honomo no wo say one mu akwan pa nanso efibra wo yi banbo adwumayefo asotire ne de ne nkwa edesane mu pa ne senti wo de ato banbo adwumayefo no anim se wo mebo ne
ya reporter ma MC in fact ene a wo ne make say say chief executive honorable Joseph Nyane wato anamo ene ne security men no they have done so many arrests on the ground. But the only thing I ever want to say I make any say they are putting threat on lives. So omunyaya me for instance the assembly member ombekumi and I'm waiting to see.
Na watwe mu nyina Adom kase abawama ne yese akyerɛkyerɛfo nkabom kro ahodo miensa ate atua de kyerɛ sɛ won haw no ebi efa won pension sika ho ebi nso efa panipa awayi ne sɛ director general sɛ won na education no anase homasua no ano na empendodo a wo makɔ hyiamu sɛ nka obɛhwɛ sɛ de na yie no de beto yie na nka saa akyerɛkyerɛfo nkabom kro miensa no wo mo asa akɔ school de makɔkyerɛ de no ne nyina entiase anya adwuma.
Efibra National Labour Commission ehye mpanyinfo a wonom eda nat nagrat ene CCT achechefo okuo na no se wonom etuate no wonfa mra awieye no enya de se achechefo okuo no edisa enhyehyeye no so ekuo bi e wa achechefo okuo ni mu echiremu se wonom gusua edi nsawoso na wahunu anamon foforo a wobesan etuo so manfo beka yi a National Labour Commission no ehye achechefo okuo nyina se agina ya wasi a wode ate aban no so atua no wonfa mra awieye animanum ya wonkyeremu bi a wode tudwa ene se achechefo okuo yi enni enhyehyeye a esese wodi so ansa na wo hye se wote san atua ya ne senti wo hye wonom se agina ya wasi no wontwam ne mum obubobo so me de etoso dunsia afimpinu ene adwunum yenum no wonsan aban mehia no wonwonwene wonsem no ho yamani boni ekobɔ ntoa ɛwɔ schools ahodoɔ mu no wɔkɔhunu sɛ na akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ binom ɛwɔ school mu hɔ no nanso ebinom deɛ wankɔkora saa tebea yi ama nipa dodoɔ na wɔnom adwene mu ayɛ wɔnom kɛsene ne esan sɛ ontimi nhunu da asomdue bɛba ama saa atuateɛ yi ɛto atwa na ama adekyerɛ ne adesua atumi akɔnkan
Womra Shebeja Fienso Adom Kumano Trimu Posa Beto Aba Naken Oforiata So Mai Sana Hine Wajini Dibreno Edia Finin Semno Rashebejam Chame HS Wapabejo Kubia Wando Drono Eye and Watche Se Sadiano Wanya Mushimuna Fe Ken Oforiata Won her babia in Sunshine Ede Bodo Babefa
Jum Aban Osmanu Babin Edi Atu Eja Ewo Mrashebejum Enese Ensema Bebetu Dwa Edefa Oswafo no hwe Ghana sika sem eso no Ken Ofori atano Wode ahye ekuo a womo eye 8 ensa se womo enyemu enhwehwemu na womo mfa de ebepie mu no emra Mrashebejum Omanfo bekaya Mrashebejwafo ede betu dwa se enam se Ghana sika sem enkoyi ntino womo de niema egu akwam se ne womo ede beyi Oswafo a no hwe Ghana sika sem so Ken Oforiata eno enene no speaker wo Mrashebejum no etie wo mo ensem wie no ono so de odi tudwa abra odi ensem no etudwa ewie no deputy majority leader a ono ewo Mrashebejum afenyo marking ene nsentwofo atwetwe ho nkomo
boni ano obi aye nyoma bi a esai oman na mano kwan na ono so enkasa etire bi na edu wo nso so etire bi na wo so obi edibibi eto wo so ntino yasemo a we mean no harm. We are willing to cooperate with them, and I believe that the respondent himself, when afforded the opportunity, he would have the chance to either represent himself in person or by counsel.
Esikasu eyekure wo epoye mantam na kromafo no kua ena woye edebo won ho bra Ghana Health Service adwumako no kire se wa nursefo a wode won call sa kro yi mu se won konkoye community based health planning services the Ochanity Chiefs compound no na nka omafo no won ma won ayaresa no Ghana Health Service for na kwakofa sa nursefo no nyina fi ho efi se edan no a won ma ayarehwe no anhwe yi a na tese akwakofa ha ofoforo ediaba.
Is our current population. The projection is that by 2030, when we are hoping to reach the SDGs, our population would have reached 38 million.
So we got insurance. We bet me our insurance company diet no akoto. But then our auto, only my crowd auto. Sika out and correct na. Insurance company crowd auto from no. Is it the right company? But broker na o ejuma ewo industry no no. Sa broker no. Wonu nim say wo ko to insurance for a dime way and also tier more than 100 Ghana cedi. Ebia ko directed be more 200 Ghana cedi. But broker nim. Ebia insurance company crowd out from no. Sa insurance company won pay sa insurance nkiti opekese nti unim appetite of the company no dey akoma no. Claim ba when you asem. Who say insurance so claim ba issues, technical issues. No. At that point, no, so broker, you don't deal with the insurer.
Wachire mu a ade ba ko kwansidie o wonum adwuma mu eyese de sesei sikakra bia adoso ya wonum fa kwati kwan ahodo bebre so edidi dwuma.
Don't bank for now. Oko banking hoso oko transaction mu di wechi e betimi ato insurance ama e betimi ayese. Sa arrangement no legal enya illegal. But
Facha ye say ye car chips company and nurse for ho asem na so wotie insurance ho asem abrepam no eno so beba ma watena mum kase no mi gina we so na afa mi de sidiaka e wo bedwom dwumade ni so ne do so fi se fi sabre ya kosi se no nkono bebo no e bedwom ba bibia wo hwe Adom TV anopai no eye machi a me ma wache ma ha so a ma ha eye ma jon so a me wajo Facebook for ni nyina so ye checha mu nyina asem de mu data a ye sika no enya ye ho adaje Yendi sopa enti kase no si no online no aye krado ena afi do bonkrata ne so aye krado pani kwasinsia ene ye fia mankwata makulu atna sempam cho me mamache jo enti me for online ento aso straight ho okay enti ene akoba ne sade ana che sadomonline.com no de da ha ne high transport fare hinders HIV patients access to care. Alhamdulillah. High transport fare hinders HIV patients access to care, study reveals. Oni makenkan akwadomonline.com ebi ana obi die nie but ebi ana high transport fare no ebetumi ama won so ebe fa because enura kromo ayehye na bena brafi agema ene teacher ni bi twetwe nkomo no che se otiso otuum se de niema akeka koninti no ese se onantia fi so otuum ena wakwa akokira de wo one of the suburb maybe enti eno ne de ono so ayede adjust ne ho a ne ho enhyehyɛ no bebre ena obi nso de ye HIV yade a wokwa ya sabia no lorry fare no akakwa bibi ho kwasi obedi nkomo ho
ma men kwa o so na un se enne na agric ministry as the nhye bi e ba se sa enhye betimi aboa ma aduane bo aba fom
okay
ne adwadefo no e kan ese transportation cost di mutintima ye pa na ma yadwane bo ewo nkran Kumase Takrade miami awodo no ne bo ewo so ministry na fa to no say sadia ono ebefa transportation cost se na be ya yekodwa manso a adwane to no ebeba fom eti enefia dey eno mo start pilot no na na dey mo start with abadwumafo civil and local government workers etuko ministry of food and agriculture and na be kona ye display nnuane no ewo ho ya ye ton abofo eso.
I see.
How sustainable enebeye? Question ya amanfo bi ebi se ye ti omo na abampa ne fokofa eye enhye bi eba ye se eboa ya ye gi ewo airport no ye ntete so emfama eye adwarefo akra ne ma de bo mamu. Ewie hye ne eto ne ma se niema bo amafo. Gutafo nsanka enye benchmark value na eba en kwanka ne ma bo be kosora chese ne na etie no. Sane be wonde sabam kwa maso na me president edema Federation of Kumasi Ashanti Traders iomwo Kumasi eni enkomo na akwasi prempena na take mo acharo pai eba bedwam du me die so wa Adom TV so
openye kasem pacho mejo so na metia yahwefo so anopai
ahwefo jo so eda wase enhye ya Ministry of Food and Agriculture ede ebanie mu na mo ton ennuane edema especially mo Asante mantemu Sanche boa be betimi aboa ama aduane boa wo ye dwaso no e betimi aba fom
yo opanyi me da sibio ye nyina yeti oman mu yi eye oman ba bia da yeso ene se anka sabe okoye adwaman so sabe titru okoto efuomu enobaye ni bi ede abafie aba bidia sabe nko benya na eboa ewo fom sabe ya ka ahokyere emma ensusuye a honorable minister ede abai ye te fasem o sha seka se aduane ho nyeden wo man mu na agetonfo no ana pegya ebo no be boso mi nani na oye nhyehyeye se be ya ebi aduane ebeba fom na ode ka be boso mi nani ye sha se te minister asha se ADD sa ekoboi na sanye ye yama me tituru ba ya na Asante mantem ha no mo a Kumasi kruduem ha eba enobaye eton nnuane bia ye ton bia no yama me nanafuwa ene da hima afo ni nya bibia ye ton bia ewo na hima na bra minister de sansemi ebetu dwai ye ne ahima afo no etna ase esusu ho se so esusu ya minister de abai ebeboa ye nyina agitu mu se sanka ebetimi ayeye dia yenim say sebe ebeboa na mom ye de ye hwe from different angles say bia ye de ye hu ni say just political talk enya dia feasible enya dia sustainable sentia ye ka sa no ene say yes bebebre na ye nim abam panyifo adidi nkomo ya ka kire omo say fango buo ni bo konsro ninti no amaye na drobafo no apegya kesika no ebum eti so koye nkro nkito ani mu kofa no baye na ba kesika ninti enema ne bo ebeye den
eti ene kesika no ne man bo ebeye den na sa aba si wo fa kesika na se na o si ehwe ni mu se aduane bo beba fo mo ye dwaso
sei ne ye susu bi ama aban ene se ene use minister say oye pilot project
yeah
o sha say wo enkan eye nemom de ye busa ni say sabe enkron kitwa na aka no so aban na timi ni adwadifo a dani dan nyina omu neye omu dwumadi a omu di no atena ase hu se bia me maame nom mu na dani dan nyina mfie brebre atwam yi mu na mudi ye no ba ye hu dwadie so eye ka sika no nko a ana ama eniema bo no ekoso mu di bebi nkro nkese ni ama eniema bo no ekoso ana dabi sabe se ukọ nkro nkitu animu a sabe we enya plantation bi no aka say o matuka akwesi plantation farm bi metwa me board fo ni nyina dako edeba ukọ ye nkro nkitu animu a say wo koto board e ana say obi bank na ukotu ana obi no ba ya wo hwe say bia enra ya wo na ye tepagya ya wo bekọ ho no ebi a adwoada ebrada no akọpẹ apaafo na kwa amanfuo mfuom na o makoticha no baye no apaafo no so ano baye no edi begu kwan ho amwabo no wabo no ekuakuo apaafo no so beka che o se enei asetena mu aye din ti sabe no so abo de eduro no de 20 pesos a ahokyere na Nana opening
sese agedfo asemo yama ahometie yabe enkomo a yate afrim ano emresantini efa duane boa ne boa ye den enkanka enkran kumase takrade ene meamea wodo no eyese ka sika ye di efri baabi ekofa emfudie no ede aba ekrom no ano akosoro ene abansi wo ba be fasa ka sika no apaafo de ne yenhye da nte ho asemebre ena ababa be yo mu se kofa wei e de aba justify de enti on still ene mabo no koso ka ba bi e kanana
sanya midi kan etie mu no me se yefo aso pa se oban panyin ne anase aban ba ye siseye ama ye nyina ye ho ahare yen esan se ebia me meton afuo mu no baye ena me mapeja ebuo ni ma se meton no baye ni wi a sabi mi nua no no so ton ade foforo a enye no baye no so obeton no baye aduane na ade bo ode ni no ne niam na woton no obepegem but dia ye kan nyina ne se ye de yesusu aba aban se sa ensese ya no de agu akwan mu no eye but ye hu ni se enye sustainable ye betimi amana sustain ye adwadifo ne yesusu ye mu ni se aban enye nsese ya obema fango ne bo no aba fom ama adraba fonso etimi atete asentiade no so yen de yehu ni se enu na ye sustainable na se me koto no baye no me kwa ha koto no baye ne de aba ne de eyesusia pa na aba na ye but enya de a ebetimi agina eti saban pese egina de a de ye sre ni se onte asentiade no so fango buo na ena akosu bebre ama adraba fo egina so se de ozo kofa niema omo charge na kese no
meti wase a yenti ase se ehya se eye adwuma fully o miamia wodo na ennuane bo edwa so ebeba fom
oh well sa aban na se o sa he ba yen de yenim se ebia omusu sie mu omusu se ebeye adwuma
mo na mo ye adwadfu a mokofa emfude ne free emfuom badwa so ne abai eye ne bed obeyi de frame so ye transportation no ebema aduane bo ye dwa so aba fom nana prempe
entimi ma fom ye betimi ma aduane bo aba fom ne se abai enyan siseye generally na kasika bo no fango bo ne mra fom
but o si kasika bo no e ma ne nya odadwin biem mi ame de ka ba besu abefa maw eno so watiti wom kan ne sei
and on said there is a person catcher abai ni say transport now all can one factor out of the lot.
But that's a major factor in your pricing.
A major factor, but agri input no so because the ABA can yes afiasi ukoto we decide that na 18 cities and na 80 cities. Enu kwiani no edi no baye ne bakra na nsa na wo bekwa akoto no aka ne nanka bia body aduro wo de be ma obi 15 cedis a wono so aka cho say afuo ho enka a redecide ana agricultural input a me to ansa na me no ba manya no baye no kra ma wo ni no wa ba be to bi no
okay
and no cost and two unim say oba race course say here kuma say na nam say central market ni ho no ya no baye no dodo na no ya ebehia e wo race course eye adwadifo ahima fuyi na ama akuafo no dodo na sika edia ewura omumfuom because obi won ma kodofo no ba dwom na no kire na o se maame ene maame kakra nto me ho na me no ba ye ne ba
me dia ma
eno so aban ni be ahye so ahima fo ne wo mo okro kese ma omo so akuafro na sene ewo sikamu no eno so aban di nani ahye ntina na make say e se ka aban ni ba fo no ne omo a omati sa adwumade ne efie bebre no atena se na wahunu kwampa aside transportation no
nana ya da sipia do peso agibre ne edi nkomo
pastor me so me damasi
nana kwasi prempe eye president de ma Federation of Kumasi Traders and I'm to say ye no edi nkomo nti lady e bim na aka Adom online
okay they aka Adom online ye okay so we need them akada that's transportation you know but for bia ho fi say kwasi ano say ye de menyonko ewo babia obia so ne ho bechire no fa high transport ne ho but ba konse wa hanum say ne say nurses in the UK to go on strike for the first time in history.
Hey.
And then that is a reassure if for the first time in history say nurses in the UK to go on strike for the first time in history. It's no no. Nana Grada's lawyer beg court. The and the lawyer say beg court no. And also adomonline.com and a reform of UN Security Council long overdue. Ekufuado and a eka saseme. Man beaten for speaking to Joy News on Galamsey activities at Odumase and Rakasiemu Nasaseme and Mobokeke Secrachino, Wakano Krequanya Womonam Swa, Womutu Fem Goodye Galamsey, now Wakano Cratch say, Ahana Efa, when near the and no more Mohona Omoneyan, just away your mamanti, Omo Brimuno. Well, Kwasi Adomonline.com.
What? Evia? So good at times.
What times and I papa on the Casai.
You're ready for it, dear.
They may can say. I saw my woman.
Yeah, your more can
because I will say, you will be in transportation.
Yes, I feel it.
Yeah, but fair enough.
We decided and our powerful best swar and calculate. Oh,
oh, said the moments I would this negative perception. On the way, I did be one fat positive anya. I did not plan in ye. What do you mummy a dose problems and the intimates of Vinina by your far way? See a ye near she. What do you know? Near she. Now before the end best at a
from what you say, and then yes, sustainable. And you know, oh, say,
we no mentality. Be affected
the same thing. Yes,
because on the ways and means be still at the end of
the justified it near Baba Casa. See a catcher Musa. Some see benchmark value buy. Your senior mark, your credit farm on the ban. Neighbor bafom. Oh, good for so Ghana for my luck and your benchmark value can never walk crowd cost into the name boss. But I didn't so buy ye day, but Motia say, ye they bus a man name of bafom. Over the years, near from traders, say transportation. Na queen aba se me de kai ba be suwa be twenya ma na be kroma ma
because minister ya ye nua be ma kwame anum oni ni de akire koy me hyede busa kwame ba me hyede busa mte kwame wo de wo wanso ko bi aduane wo ho an aduane ni ho because minister ne ba wo se aduane wo ho minister de bi o ka se wo se aduane wo aduane ba ni e doubt no we de kwame na koy wo se ya mpa aduane wo ho enti eni adan na emma adan na emma nyina ne ye akwan enye enti akwan na enye na ban so okwa akofa sa nuane no de aba enti nuane ni bebuso na fe ye ka we ni enye nwie ye kura
yakofa pafu e be so na ema nyina
because tie bia no fango bo no bebi ekoisa na eko enti kakra ni ye mumbi nyina ye support ni enka momunya de no na enye ye mfama ye hwe ni mu asa ni ofa bi ada obi asem ho kura na kan sa asem yi se aham se kofi capito Adom FM no wo ka se the aban ye covid mem no ya de ene so betimi aye bi aban basis akese ene na nam ho de enya adwuma ebi ye adwuma bi nya adwuma benze
metro mass ne ade no
nka be 3 months bi na no so wafa ne yesesa nkrofo nka ebi ye ntua nom ne ade na nka easy pressure ne kakra sa aban ye yesa ne me bebo afa ye bi kakra ne ye condemn esa obeti ada mumie nso mu na jawa ye nko ye nim kakra kakra wa ye ma me nom ne ye papa nom
aban me fa apafo na e be so mo ne ma
oh also to the be ampanifo sinkonya omo say metumi na yetiem e ba ne sa wo bi kan woni bi kan pani say metumi na yetiem commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces ye wo hihye bi wo ha ye nyi obi adwen ena obi de foforo aba abebum because sa komo ye akwasi odi ye wa ho sei na me ye no eya hihye me dem say one example ne say na no ye si obi ana obi answer ya answer them it's a commander in chief me say na me ye no
oh yeah
wonya ne sa fa de gu dem na mpre
say edi agro na ko obi answer say price control eba
eno kware wa show
say what the transportation we ba na still nwane bo e wo yedwa so e kosra o say the price control eba because to be intro ba ko ba say afia no ko bisa aduane bom say na no ko me say me yiri mari am ko medina market me mami to be sure manim etwa banche me sam am say 10 Ghana na me go for am say mami adai
e na ayi body kokos o ko market kwa na so okoto e ya he nanso ye be yi body e betima twamu ba mi ensan ton ba kwa ma tu
enye
tese wudwen wa wonja ni nyina me say ayi cylinder 14 kg
yeah
230 o
she
me see the last time me ko say me togo nti ma dwen ni so the last time nka 2 ni nyina nka nya be 230 ena ba ko pe 230 wonti me fele ni nya beto half so ma wa yi me ti so bi ka say mama 120 am say mama 120 I'm saying 120 years say or say 7 I say half I'm saying yes because me but me say oh say niema kosro kra we dey ni mienu be 300 me ana 350
so ko to ba ko
230 and niema more den and say niema more den iti aban ye bi ma ye lorry fee say fifa bi me say behwe ni papa nam kwa ho nam say me fa hada ya sa na ti ana say nipa na nya ka na say lorry fee ne ne nya aban mampani uni ha ba me sure so o mo ka no kra na kire ode system no ebu oden enti nana mwakuafo we de ani die mu amu di dwanom ne ade anya nim tia ne mom me nhwe no pani ni nye ame nhwe na fe ntoato aso na bro nyan bibia nkoso ye mfa afe na ndiye na say before ade no beba kra ya condemn me
boy ya fe hwadwe de
amwa ye so man mo ma ye nyina ye nka bom na ene ma nkoso na ba bia eden
lady
enti kwasi
one month aso ana mawie okay but I say 10% of Ghanaians are diabetic
hey
I hope because you check sugar no ne ade kwasi wa check sugar
oh me check ene November me way yeah I think August I'm checking
yeah at least wa check bi check kura so nti se bibi koso a
as we call down for doctor ni bi wo rage Dr. Kranti
so no kura wo call no wa nche down koso wo check
e di edi komo a na beto mu ana spasa kokoko no mo ye me other vitals
yeah nti mu mi check na ano
lady nti eja
okay nti ene ye fiada de otu kwan nyame fa ne nkodu de owa yi ensu nyame cheche ne re bibibia ye tribopa ene adwempa a wo de ye no awurade mram na enye yi emfa ma na maka wo se nyame ya adom na wo twese ne nso na ye ya ahoboa de kwa akoja oman hene kwa bena sante na ono nso akata ne papa achi ewo Kumase asantemantam abonten so nti ahwefo nyina eye bedwam ye mamache.
Right, thank God it's Friday. Fantastic morning. I was here Mwakwaba. Emma so yenhwe nsem ekoso agudie mu ebrebe. Se na de bia meka de se fata se otina. Ana po ya boabo no na ye de ebrewo. Yes, Jehova no chobana padi botwa. Me producers Kejuan Ankasa ne Erica Sierubuadi. Setimo gel and roll on. Sanso na oneexpert.com. And so can why de some na de ebrewo Gfast mixture. Oba bigina na iso. Obema jina na iso Gfast mixture omo ye sponsors abribia sa yesia konkon na ye je ho bamba na yoyoya na ye omo na de yesia konkon sa na ye ba ne sa na wonim se ye be sha se de fi World Cup ni mu nche kra na ye kwanche na ye koti ya na ye wo me ye ho up into the World Cup. Yes, iti tamuchuku ni emfa empia wano paipa. Kejuan Ankasa ni Erica Sierubuadi 16 years ni Germany echi Argentina bomo kana ya mutimu mino penalties afasana mabo 1-1 draw the 2006 FIFA World Cup final in Germany. Na yebe ko warm up ni mu bia na Azar Paints and I finish no Showmax and the Remo. Identity na afi ayesu na yesunkwa players let say yesunkwa na aye wen ne chese otim say Germany for na kwambia so botime gina mo na so bo adwuma papa wo sa game ni mu and I know say na sam no city here you go so e ka wo map no sam no share so body can chaw say Zappings in show max na dey sia konkon na yete bro and still you go so ewo musa na World Cup minute ne e dia na yehwe aka 9 days to Qatar and our youngest ever player wo bo World Cup on e dey mo nsam ba.
Yes, I know Mukopia World Cup. I can see Nasino. No yamshe at the momopa. Nansu ya do kahon. Na unfie ni wofom. Uso akra na ya ni jemu so e di amao ene wabusia. Efi se she World Cup ase afi 1930 no. Enkwada nkuma no dodo na. Ese amomodi mbonti. Aya omukochi sahodo e di omuka ho ekopia dwumadi kese na se. Na e wa abakose mu no. Player na osopa okopia World Cup dwumadi kese na se no. Brazil ene ofure afi 1966 World Cup 2 dwano abrantia ne dia de Jonas Eduardo Americo edu ene omode frɛ no ne wadi mfinhia dunsia ono no ye player wo sapa World Cup yi hyase wakopia se bie asia kan ade amane man
Badesane Showmax World Cup Showmax so and yede ehwe no one ba bia nam bia betimi ahwe phone so tab so ne ade and of course as paint as papa ntie no fiti 1921 moto mo ba bi ana kwambia so mo amagana ayefe pa ne ade ne papa ntie no as paint kan ho na abrebia de wo call World Cup ne mu ensam nyina and of course I don't know sab no so isi na oguso ehwa go kan si Adom TV so countries award na start drop your squads. And I to say yes, and England, the Omodia Bar, and Wales, the Omodia Bar, Africa, Senegal, for the Omodia Bar, and a host of others. And of course, so Pimo, Ghana group, a whole concentrating Nepal, Portugal, Nediaba, Sansona, Uruguay, and Nediaba. Now, train Ghana and official South Korea. Now, and then yes, more Portugal, to say, more pre. And this abem kwaya namune kotoden hema wo muni adia and obwame wo discussion mu na my man 50 man Friday on Share FM na to say yes Ghana group no anwene se pa yes more agro na ekodi 50 me mo akwa ba Adom TV so na no pay
ejo me da say
bibia e boko de
anya me Adom bibia e kama okuma say
right yeah ready say now
can say kama
good. Now, Kokopimo Ghana Group H, Portugal for Ediomo squad abasa, so that Uruguay, Ediomo squad ababa, but other countries also drop it. So far, countries are one who know, my BB, say World Cup, the pa.
I am Kejwa Medasi BM, so Oshe World Cup squad now dropping now, and three Lions here drop here. And Ubia was Kao in Business Argentina, Chelsea 4-player Conor Gallagher, Argentina Calvin Phillips, Webra, on Shedan Mobo, Emma Manchester City this season. I was listening James Maddison and a call up going to the World Cup players, BTC Raheem Sterling, a mainstay in the team. Harry Maguire on Shedan Mobo, Manchester United this season, also Omo to the World Cup this season. It's mixed feelings. So the Portuguese, there are issues about it. 18 out of the 26 players are afraid for Portugal no, are represented by Jorge Mendes. One of the biggest football agents in the world. Jorge Mendes are representing 18 out of the 26. I say when Ghana a big deal.
Okay, big issue.
26 players no. One player per and on board for either Sporting, Porto or Benfica. League. It say 25 players no Ubiabo for our local team ne pen and sana okwa brochire. So but there are a whole lot of mixed country there one issues. Uruguay for Afro old players, Martin Casares my friend is saying big old name players, young players, Alejandro Arao Epra, but then still he's going to the World Cup. So even though Ghana maybe a lot of discussions.
A lot of discussions, and like you said, Ghana Kenyan betting pa. Nani pa ko players 18. Oh, that be a dot there. But this time around, Euros no dey Portugal for Chambobre, but what depth in squad, ne quality of Mukranwa. Are they the team as a Ghana issue or group anymore?
Yes, Portugal on paper, a very good squad. Oshe on defense to attack from Ruben Diaz in defense, Wa Cancelo, Yakano Wansembebli, goalkeeping. Unim said now they are not going to go with old goalkeeper in Rui Patricio. Now they are going to go with goalkeeper Diogo Costa from Sporting. Oshe friends, Champions League about this, and will make it the most penalty saves, or a very, very good player when it comes to saving of penalties. We're two, Rui Patricio as a number one, or Honum, midfield in Portugal strength. I brought your friend Renato Sanchez had the chance to go to the World Cup with Portugal, and he has been very good for PSG. Vitinha won Portugal for players, no. Bernardo Silva is in there, Bruno Fernandes, team name, you know, say Diogo Jota, Epra. So Portugal have the depth in squad. Portuguese league, one of them, one of them very good strikers in Rafael Silva, HMB. So now the issue with Portugal, they say Ronaldo best started every bench and also best started straight away as a number one. Andre Silva, more any other. So that's the issue. Joao Felix and Shedan Mobom and Let's Go Madrid. But then these are proper names. Look at Rafael Leao in the Italian Serie A last season up till now, Champions League. Top winger. On paper, Portugal is the team to be scared of. Kejua.
On paper, Portugal, a team to be scared of. By here, Portugal score no England. The dear what drop here any idea. So far, scores a year drop your dear na yehu been the likes of Belgium money idea no. One the posted threat pa one na won some call the way Belgium de bia e kasa mo and achievers golden generation hu de omo kire but score omo de betu mo de yehu Portugal where England de any idea na o ha one na ekwachiri.
I think that this season World Cup no say me share Omo World Cup Nangasa. Brazil for me is straight up favorite. Omoni Argentina. And the history also backs them. The last time South American country Biampo echo the final and won the World Cup, it was held in the Asian region in terms of football federation. It was in Korea, Japan 2002. And of course, now we are going to Qatar in 2022. Almost a whole lot of years after Cesar this year, the Brazilians have the squad. Bobby Firmino or the most goal involvement amongst all the Brazil strikers. But then Tite when say open the industry of Gabriel Jesus, open my branch friend Richarlison, bit my ball from out wide, bit my ball from center forward areas. Open a branch bit say Gabriel Martinelli, bit my ball from out wide, either on the left or on the right. Pushing fifth one, Bruno Guimaraes for Newcastle has been on top form. Lucas Paqueta from West Ham United, top player. Casemiro, Fabinho, Omu goalkeepers, Ederson, and of course Alisson. Untimi also started because so many top draw goalkeepers. Actually, there's a mix of age, experience, and of course youthful exuberance. Marquinhos, Thiago Silva, of course there's who's a Daniel Alves, Ababeshim. It is another name and Krumas here. Like hell would have broken loose, but then Tite said up at the physical levels of Daniel Alves, up at Southern World Cup, and then he's in there in the squad. I think the biggest issue of Brazil for line a squad, on fullbacks, Alex Telles, Abrante Efreno, Danilo, Dani Alves, Juventus for player Alexandro. Midfielders and attackers, fullbacks no more issue, but then on paper, I think the Argentine squad. And of course, the Brazilian squad way ahead of everybody.
Wow. Maybe Sao the Ususufa, the African side, sir, coin half far or Jidison Bekwana, wine a Bekon and impa. But the Ghana group anymore for the first time in a while. Oscar Tabarez in lead Uruguay for them and it is a younger coach, Diego Alonso, and everybody. Despite the name Uruguay, can Ghana also look at it, say it's a young coach coming into Dini the other but coach no Oban so yes you beat him William Kakra.
Diego Alonso take you over during the qualifiers. Not and Shedan Koyima Oscar Tabarez and almost sign Emma Diego Alonso by. In fact, Diego Alonso by they got the results. The thing with Uruguay, they say almost more an aged scorer. Almost try some better transition. Unim say already name him. Luis Suarez accord national. Portugal for Uruguay for league in him. Edison Cavani and Shedan Edison Cavani in him. Now he is with Valencia. And Omufin Fionom, Abrante Efreno, Darwin Nunez for Liverpool. Young player, but on Shedan Rosa. Made the Holland the Uruguay for strength. So Rodrigo Bentancur, Matias Vicino. Of course, there is Fede Valverde, who is on top form for Moti. Very solid one thing for him. Last week, many Uruguayan journalists, friend Diego Dominguez, didn't come out about scored. And okay, I say Oscar Tabarez 4-4-2 now born with 4 solid midfielders: Bentancur, Vicino, Lucas Terrera, any Valverde, no Bonesa. So Bonesa, then up top, it is either going to be Suarez, either Cavani in Penifoni Mubako, at the time not listening by Penifoni Mubako, any Darwin Nunez up top, then San Ben. So striking wise, almost yet threats, but the force of the Uruguayan team, we all know Martin Caceres when there's Ronald Araujo as right fullback for them, although a centre back for Barcelona, November for right fullback, on Shedani exciting side with the injury. And then, of course, young centre back in Jose Maria Jimenez from Atletico Madrid, and also in a lot of minutes under El Chojo, Spanish La Liga. So that's the Uruguay team, no, a year transition, send a year transition, you know. I think that we can face them boot for boot.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, waiting. Yeah, train Jordan. Say Coach Otoado, I didn't score the bar better jar. I didn't expect it. Now, man for so abamobu. Be Brina said any vim wo Otoado, any Sunny and Niama BSC Corono. The O expected 1 and 2. How far now you say Ghana bet me a call?
Okay, you are. Me expect it. Say 1, definitely. We been some surprises. For me, goalkeepers, yeah, me when they say I want Atizigi to be part of the list, I want Uchidofori to be part of the list, I want Jojo Walcott, and it looks like Jojo Walcott automatic. Ebeka listing him. Now El Kumasi as in Kofobe a pushy rightly so say in Kiyama branch a friend Dan Lad Ibrahim chance. Now Konosun can Kobobi because 3 goalkeepers and be an Obedama Ghana. So he gets the experience, and then FIFA Sika and Kodibema local clubs now, Kotoko would have benefited. I think that it makes sense from that point of view. But also the age bracket of Dan Lada, Atizigi Munina and Manaf Nudimu are almost in the same age bracket. Inti umeki that arguments and maybe you not be fair to Atizigi and Nurudin say Omunaya and Kolanti Omunkonya experience. So based on quality of goalkeepers, maybe Dan Lada and Yanhua, he can still get a chance to play in the World Cup. So these 3 goalkeepers are okay for me. Centre back, Mohamed Salisu, Jiku, my brand friend Daniel Amati, Ali Diseidu has been very, very good for Clement Foot Power this season. A mainstay of Clement Foot team in him. Right fullback, Dennis Odoi, of course, Tariq Lamptey. 2 days ago, Tariq Oshego, my Brighton and Hove Albion. From left back, instead of the regular right back, Coach Roberto Di Zerbi born, send a bit McCarthy onto the favorite right foot or no pay. No, send a bit of money goes, and that's exactly what Tariq Lamptey. I left back the name so automatic. It is Gideon Mensah and Baba Abdurrahman. The only name that comes into this free area in Kakotoko for Imo Ibrahim and Koko to Al Hilal. But the best 2 names that we know, of course, are Baba Rahman and then a branch friend, Gideon Mensah. Matiti say Jeffrey Schlupp and Yadi and Idimbe all listing. And I think that a part of the reasons are a lot of Ghanaians want to Amandi Obube Fupa, if that's the confirmation. Yehu, they are Jeffrey Schlupp, member of the agency or me and the management, Eddie Baber tour out on Instagram a few days ago. I think it's also Jeffrey Schlupp versatility. They were born a ball for Crystal Palace, or with my center midfield, wing, fullback, center, anywhere. Go with my a lot of versatility. But in Kofobisu make very good arguments here. Jeffrey Schlupp in Melbourne. Times born for Ghana. No. One said I'm exciting. The last time I born for Ghana was in September 2021. Under Coach Sika Kono against Ethiopia. World Cup qualifiers, yeah. He wasn't exciting. Again, Musa. But I think that is where you say any technical team next year. The new players or mobile team, no. I see a finally win your okay. Give them good atmosphere. And Ivory Coast will be with Wolf Zaha, with Max Cornet, and of course, Abrantia Efreno, Sebastian Halle. I don't know if say because I didn't play any born year for Crystal Palace.
Now by Fidia. Manfred, because of time, yeah, but how far do you think Ghana be kohe ana brofona be fam? Ghana be do osha.
Kijwa on paper, a difficulty to qualify out of the group. But I think say on paper, Kijwa
okay, Matthias, but the 2 teams are qualify from your group near Uruguay, Portugal na.
Make to Ghana, me say Ghana, so Ghana, Portugal.
All right. Yes, oh yeah, patriotic. Oh, so say me paneso.
You draw against Portugal. We are through.
Wow. Your first game, rest and be see a corner. My friend, you may share prep zone so now. You when we Pama Ghana phones and thank you so much. And as I say, what kind when I pay or bedroom so.
All right, bro.
Right, my man. 50 man Fred, I was in Share FM and what's it in car as I day. The Equaso group and I bet to also a prep zone so 7 p.m. was some FM channel so family Sedimo gel and roll on Sedimo pin biabe quiet Sedimo 1xbet.com betting companies nebu 1xbet.com 1xbet the year sorry 1xbet yeah and rank for the disika and yasam keto akra and in patcho 1xbet.com my brain bring nana odo ho agimna bibia timakoyi and so at the amount sound so na G-fast mixture G-fast mixture. G-fast what's a papa? The G-fast mixture there. Yeah, not to say yes. Aha. You come in the copom. My say you are the man, but I'm saying I welcome you there. You better now you quit him. Major mo unim say utie. And I say what train live or Adom TV so na kwe fide. Eda ho sepe na ebeto so. And then right birthday Mr. Emmanuel J. Asante. Mr. Emmanuel J. Asante, CEO of Perfect End Logistics. Happy belated birthday, come on, Nyamisha Pa, Chairman. No, we're tough. God bless you. I was here. Sajo Anucho Bana Padibu Trey, me producers, and I know pay. I say, what the Nankasabaka Kejwana, Eric, I see du Buedi, because we're here begin.
Thank God it's Friday. Ne say fiada enyaso ye bede nyame ase. Na me adwana kwa ase me fiada wati ase na nye ifiada na nkasa. Jiwani enchena nipa ai den ekọ jiwani. Nipa wo kwa ene wu a wo chena wo bon. Enti mwani nje pa. Me de Sandra Oheme. Madaro menti muchema wasmo. Ah, osmu wada pa.
Sandy, where do you
oh,
guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Me a many guy, no. Manim ni mechi obi ani hono. Me a ni guy, no. What you say? Oh, Richard never fan so small bon sema Richard wa say me that. Na abaya bi send me message or Facebook. Me inbox. I think say we didn't hear ajubi. Also pese ukun ho. Ajubi. O show me intina send me message no. Makenkan your messages ni na as to why o pese okun ho no. Mewura emboa wate. Jai. Send yankopon to me direct oba me inbox mu out in betro ye no. Makan ajubi Facebook me pacho enkun ho. Enyo nkwa na de hia wo. Ebi mo ka mo nsem chewa bo hu se enye de glitter nyina na gold. Ti me pacho me nkun ho. You need that to be as a washer no. Believe in time and be patient. Ebeba because abrabono o prekra fumwa what she intino ajubi menku wate na menko can promise on moment sempama I can promise. Abante no I raised the flag of Ghana so high. And the last time no can sembi say you chrome ha for no and shadan so son so say I want to so for so saying Ghana for sanity kin sanity e wi ase ankasa no sofu ofi o hye nkoma unyini unyi obi nam na se woye obi kra wo mu but obebu abonten so for asen nti no it's not big deal me ma nenya oya se wo ji wo hu di wo de oye nko aho a ohene wo sokọ wo beton wo ho ama omo njindi no ebekasi yi minim no te se de ne Ghana fo hu no can promise ato wiase hwe oko New York oko Washington oko Atlanta just say oko kro bebre so na ni ji seme wo ne se na oto o de be wiye enrada na abrante bi be surprising no Wizkid ever surprising moments and and that was so beautiful ade aye nyema ye hu okrom ha sei no eno na hoho ni amanfafo ye na Ghana for de he ekro we ohun omo pa hoho kra se omo ade na wonim omo pa we ye hoho ni ade no wodie ye bi wayi wani ken yamo amo oti asene Joe Flowers je why idea papa oh bom my oh chale we ko enu wade Monungwa Beyonce has we cry onye nungwa Jay-Z. We nungwa nail. What I say? It's a Ken Yamo Ghana from Wayiko, why I dear. Pabwaka Siena so dear wo she. Unia ba miss me shebi shiao. Yeah. King Sabo man why I dear pa what all. 18 make heavy and only social so wadaroma. Kwashe bi ba hwani pe oh we rade King. Yeah, bon sem na na video, boom me video. Thank you. Boom me now I like the way we scared us laughing, yo. Yo, Ghana why you can promise message of flowers about tiase. Now come some flavors, flavor. She bomb or come say Drew Ghana. Mummy na me suspect say SMBS but all the same no. Met watch man maybe said e wo met was 50 cents. Go, shawty. It's your birthday. Just what you want to say dance with Chesney. So I heard power. A whiskey production. The baby no 50 cent production. When we know power now, as a filmmaker and a business mugudie, as some bar, what's made a true story. Yen you bear me ya. Gamia do motivate gym or physical boom ya. We be internet see. See a sentence no 11 years and 3 months. 50 chemo the betches senior my ahwe. Ain't na some maybe ani akenkan wo social ne so. But after na 50 edi betches senior chrem. Ache yesika owi aye. Club okran ko okota aye che no. Emaya no nyom gu hotel Dubai ho 50 ba be kan nyina e wasininim. It was say for my scammers I got to do this one. Hash Papi series coming soon. GLG. Green Light Gang. To Scammers Association of Ghana. Mwamuye bipa intino. Mwe series no you could pick 1 or 2 be from inside na. Also dia ye che dia wa lie.
Sister Sandy be a guy.
Also when so muni me. Omuni me pa but that's one person media to me say me a guy but where okosroba from okọ echire ba nim. Minim obi a oba wa guy sense sister ya
we a guy.
Many guy no to me to aso. Me to aso so minim say by now the what is medical. Ne Twitter account no. E ade ya suspended. Stubborn Academy for na headmaster. Papa Elon Musk the new rules via batwe ahonom. Say impersonation ade na ninja ho. But na ho na kwache obobre say Stubborn Academy. But papa no no onchele sa o. Me hu billionaire one time say o tweet man at Elon Obaba responding. But medical switch him on o say no wada me hu on Snapchat so say no wada. Wapam nipa 11,000 worldwide Facebook workers. Wapam nipa 11,000. Meka Facebook o. Ena Elon so de ohwe mu no Ghana na cost ne kosho. Wapam won. Eya wo say me boa TSC and mu aneka semwe. Maria mekani entie.
Sort of more Twitter turmoil. The social media platform is laying off almost all of its African staff. That's according to multiple sources. We're told that this is happening at Twitter's physical location in Accra, which is the capital of Ghana. CNN's Larry Madowo joins us live now from Johannesburg. So, Larry, I remember just a year ago when Twitter announced that they were, as part of their growth strategy, they were setting up shop in Africa. They chose Ghana because they wanted a vibrant, sort of stable democracy. Now, all those hopes and dreams seem to be coming to an end. Just walk us through what you know so far.
Zain, this is leading to a lot of questions about Twitter's commitment to the continent, because when it opened the Africa office in Ghana, Africans, more than 1 billion of us, felt seen, and now it seems to have all gone up in the smoke. Let me talk you through this. The following happens in the space of 4 days. On Tuesday, after working remotely for about a year, Twitter's African staff in Ghana...
demonstration, what? Our fingers matter. Our fingers matter. Oh, yeah, about apostle. Emma type niema. Emma wunya scan ye san to data farmer so na be pama men for our fingers matter. Mo come honye sa demonstration what? Ah, then. Anyway, you see apamo munti no. Mo ko pe before nya what? Nya men ka mo ho pa. Asa me next story no. Mo social ne so men kan asem we say. Makada na no kwa me post wo TikTok ko makada. Sa mo sorry na me view ni post biem na me like ni niema biem. me kwa me hwe ni status me hwe ni stories wo ye hwan could be you we nyankopon achi ba ana Mary wu Jesus no ona age na wo yo mama yenti bibi ase me ko Facebook na nipa be 17 million a share video we ya sure say me adaje ko share 17 million mo share wo shakra me hu nti wan share yo it doesn't do anything you know ti mo me nyai sad enya achievement en fa ho ahwa ho me kwa me join post like me kwa me hwe ni story mama wo ye hwan nti no jai no like wo like kwa ni ehu na enya won like na enya won hwe nti kono omo mbehwe no omo hwe because I do it for the people I don't do it for you. It's becoming annoying and I don't watch it and that one na okay ka hey money into what social ni media obi bia je koso bana me fan Miss Goldings too fan Miss Goldings too tema kunkum ma sorry ba asumdwe nka tema kunkum na no pay baby owo otimi da na see a TikTok a chetema. The people who are asking for TikTok videos, you cannot disappoint them. The Presbyterian hymns, so Tama, you have to come to the office very early. Miss Goldings too, no, ekoso kwesi ada bia 8:30. Very good. Ope ya mamre ni amani ni ade dia. And ade me fe wo ho ni se week bia ye mo tax. Omo ye. Na no see your funeral right. And ekwa de say I think say Ashanti fashion or can fashion be and I could say do mo de ba. Mr. Won she be that na homa me because ye twa bi agu twa be 5 weeks bi ni. She be ma me pa na hu ya mamre ni amane. What's ho a wani aiden agi. It Miss Goldings too. Yen hwe kakamba.
Mfrawa nyado. Penny di penny ene ye de be ma ho. Sanya ma we ni na e de oyaw e ba san kofo ni. Empanifo se ye wo ni de na wewu na de oti ase no ena ye mboa no.
Efi so bi bewu de kwapem se ebesie no amamre ene amane a yebe nyina eye doti yie kane no na ewu enye dede o na eye areho ene anibre nanso ene memu de aye kra be hye ene akansie
obi be hye wo de kra na ntse wa wo de wa mi ti wani wat na wo ire me fra wat wa mama tania nene kwa anya sami suko na mom oya enti na me de yesa anya mani hunu da bi ye besia akanfa mama ba kwa want to na se eni ayiyo akanfa wogidie bi se obi wu a na se okone obi wu na okọ oman fufrom na said no ye amamre eni amanye adi jane kwan me gwa wo hawibu I don't know where jabi amanye say uta omunsem enu na se omudofu beba omunsa omuhim ede do omuase echo adofo ne se omani so ensan abode no eti ene nananom se migina ha na migina ne bone me sirem wani diem me sada me nsayem kotodegu fem sirem se muna muka ewomu se betumi akwafa eti yo eyiye na san ba na ene yiyo no
Miss Goldings too ya abomode ahye bi ma me kwasiada enyume bia 8:30 now te ho na wo hwe bi de mame me saka be mu bi wa ha say me hu say oye niam bi mani je ho me say I na ma studio me encheche nkomo mfa dwumadi we say ho because I'm quite interested in it bakofi akwaba
yeah nia
that's right yeah nia it's also her Miss Goldings too because with sasa kasani
of course I really follow me pay those kind of niam like pageants but yeah more local. Indigenous no
that's right Miss Goldings so Adom TV kwesi ada 8:30
sure
but else na kwaba
yeah nia
that's right why you feel
me that's
hey when is why we for na what's one fan to
so but you say meaning baby ameba
guys me da CP yenka wadwumadi ho nkomo alewa in fact me hu alewa at 5 meaning na 5 years
but why
hey wow what's mom ya want semba no wow why are there we adwumadi bi ho na ya ba ko ye mienu Edin to do it 5 years in a row I think say
yes
you deserve some accolades your flowers
actually if not for COVID it could have been the 6th year but COVID-19 a breaking yamakakra and nyamiadom I mean
okay now then kana what is Alewa will be share ya bonnet of an
okay Alewa Festival of Arts is an annual festival patrofacture me She no.
Oh.
Ebu I mean ni.
Oh, fafem.
Confidence.
Fafem. Yeah, English, mommy.
So it's an annual art festival. It started from 2017.
Okay.
More to bring together various facets of art form. So not just limited to street art and our exhibition, but we are doing both performing arts and our fine arts combined. So previously, you hosted events in 2 days, like various activities in 2 days. But the 5th anniversary, we want to create an experience. Inti, the BBR, but like one day. Even though you Nyama ahodobi, some pre-main show activities, be like we did some blood donation exercises. Art seminar, Uncle Ebo White, other renowned people in the space, Ebabe Kasai, and I'll be kind. Drew. Ali one day, it's art, like
art.
An art something.
I say everything art.
So that's the point. Everything art is allowed
nice.
at Aliwa Festival of Arts. That's what we do.
That's so nice. Yep. By investments, not just saying so far.
Investment in it, dear. Kakrakum. Yekum,
Kakrebeham, Yekum.
Oh, Yekum.
Because you made say Yekum.
Kodi Yanka, Yekum.
Can you Bakushi?
And Yekum. In the corporate world, like we always trust them, say that they'll come on board and get to support. You see, I can say, who appreciate Bibia, they like you give your all. So that I say, staff and you'll be a person or time baby away. And now baby away, person because you appreciate where you are. Two person you get the point. Inti say obi by appreciate some of your camera guys. Look at some mumra. Me tell him jingle say everyone say end of year. Now more pay then.
Ebi mo pay camera.
On person be jina but on one handle camera you but on or appreciate the or the all here no inti or the no shame ye inti. I give you say corporate world no. Ebe appreciate the crafts, arts, entertainment. They'll get to like invest na a boy but up until when they will really get to appreciate now. I the boy who say
I think say baby na so jina so say yes felt near ye hu ya corporate be fa serious but to ta ba why na seriousness no e bi mo nshada jina.
Yes, it depends on me I have to be frank. Me the say me kind of crack. Me bag game ni mon cheapy. I mean only some 6-7 years near, but media now has been good to me. Yes. I have to be frank because not so much of networks, but like the media has been good to me. Inti me appreciate it and I want to look at the brighter side. You get the point. The yama me no done. The because I believe in say who food your pa.
Ni pian.
Inti opim so na oye na ekwa. I don't know who they be feature about. Inti investment they become.
Me director Dachi we be chem 2 minutes bi pena afia dia kan asem ni na afia sorry dia ma me da CP nyame sha Dachi. Why Acrobat? It's been 5 years. I didn't think Acrobat so me offer. I didn't am offer me offer this time
around. 5 years it marks a very bibia a dance on my.
Okay.
Inti near say ye bibi so a dance. You get the point. Inti near the ordinary. And so you're scanning through, we wanted to, this is the first time personally I'm writing a musical. As a writer, this is the first time I hear musical. So I wanted to challenge myself with something, and I hear a musical. But beyond that, musicals, so quite that theater shows, I want musicals. But then, and the case there be one more share there na
no Kiso concert party.
Actually, this is my first year. I made me show National Theatre. My year no, we ran over other places. Intimacy say me ko baby a. One more, and then one more share, and you mean ko fa. And I'm reaching out to Acrobato. First shout out to Kweku like me reaching out to Kweku now or linking me up to Acrobato, and he's been very phenomenal. Or no, or show that interest. And say, "Hey, baby, or shall see free and or be back." And I mean, he came on board for us to do Sweet Nonsense. That's the
date, that bay.
I mean, come Saturday we are. Red carpet from 5 p.m. You are rolling because it starts with the stand-up comedy.
Right.
And that's Laughter Buffet. Okay. So Obi and Ponsa is on, General Intatia, Kojo PJ, Squad Guso. I mean, just all of them. Tickets needed. Short code *713.
Okay.
*30 *70.
About page be obi person obi.
Okay, Alewa Festival of Art, like,
okay,
especially go on Facebook,
okay,
even with hashtag Alewa 2022, like, any of these performers no more so no. Follow pages are like everything.
Yeah, I'm me posting so many details.
When we are into Saturday, we are here money more National Theatre. Just come and show us love.
I'll come and show you so much love. What's moving on?
We'll
show. What I say? It's back with me. That's a piece of Mr. Alewa Basu in Simpasha. Facebook. Na kwa sechi. Me the sister stand be a guy. One more boy me match media ni fake na fat. Madam CP any media see.
Yada se mo kwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na ocean yada sister Sandy be a guy ase se wono so de ahosepɛ no abrɛ china nyame yadoma extra no ebeba so na wa no 8 p.m. but before then no enkwahia beba 7 p.m. tini nyina no mo fidie no nkoso a na ha na efisem komo no adru so ma yena St Andrews Senior High School for ase se wo mo soya snake kit toothpaste and so crane dia won di chichi won mo esen na fe kidi ministry of so akra o se ompe aduane no mani kidi ministry of ni bi na onnom obedi define na fe piwak natural health won mo dro 3p garlic mixture no so no bi dem boost immune system no emma yare bi no ko no na etumi ene no edi esie medi afia amankwa tamaklo ne me wadofo mienu bi ewo menchen ewa ha na manim say no ahwa by the time you be no na sesa na ewiase o sori na adepatro no abompa yese urade enyu free esan musuo ene ensohwe ne atorenche mu efi se wo free fie no na ho ye bibia ye kama na so esan bi time towa ahwe be wi akire no na fiase na wo akopie so na bia na woni mu ho hwe ti wo bompa ya se urade nyu free esan musuo ensohwe ene atorenche mu be wo urabanya meche ewa ha oba pa no pe me mwache na bibia boko de ho ayefe pa o lefu no blanket fine and I will write you manual tete agima anope ye mwache na bibia boko de ede nyame ase ho ye pa ahoden wo wo yan fie se papa 75 ede na do kopie fie ase
abrantie bi na ni master woni ne ye adwuma no kokun no no se mene no ene abrante ya baako emienu na ebe kan ne ho ne kokun papa no ne nyina so na ya tro no odi na eche ti de wie an se ko wie afiase ko wie condemn amani ami hu police cells ene de nya agoro police for boom me se na be a
ya ma oni so kakra
se be omo boom me se na be a me kan say ai me ne ko yesa nso so me ne na ko yesa
aw
ti omo boom me papa me ni hu de mi hu bi o mo kom omo mo me aduane ni
aw
dokno no de be bre me a kit ba ko no ma bre o no mienu na me wie me di wie a nsu amenu kra police fo mfa mame dakro police ni no baako mi di wie na me frɛ no se mpa nkyɛw ma di wie ma di dokro na wie nti omra me nsuo o ka kira me se de me kokun no a me mpasa me kan kore no ono oguo no onya dokro e di anope na ma pensua no mo ana ti mi nya de me kan no nti wa mu ya me wa mfa nsuo na amre me nti boy no de odidi wie no na ofre no say opese onum nsuo ti cup kase bi nso da sell ho no be fa cup no no de koye no ko nsuo no ma no de bre no so onum to gina ho police ni gina ho na branch no num nsuo no to num nsuo no sa onum wie no na ode ma police ni na police ni say num biom ka ho num biom na wunti na mkosae na o status onum kakra ka ho ti onum ya no de ma police ni no se onye na police ni bisa boy no se mfama tete num bia na no se ai fama no no num bi the police ni ye te se o de mame ti mi so mi ye se meje ehwa no hwie nsuo no gu mi so hwie nsuo no nyina gu mi so police ni no hwie nsuo no nyina gu mi so to hwie gu mi so no
na me minimum awie minimum awie nti me hianso nti ama de keka me hono na me tafre sa se na bewa me nya kakra bi akome minimum eno nti me nuru me minimum mpo enuru ba bia nti oji ode kopo no ko esi ho no ko ode si ho ko na me dwi mitrim se minimum esi mitimi nya hwe ti se ti sadia me force se me Johnson no manom na bia no be boa me nti me be ma na me de nsa ko ho se na me force ya chimo ya na me nya Johnson no kakra na me no ye na me pese me ko second one no so ene me nya bi kura nti first one no me no ye fa me minimum no e ma me minimum no te preocupe just say I am correct
asemo esi Ghana ha esi Ghana ha yeah ben no
87
hey 87 enya nasem nti wo kom no wanya mfie sei
me ko prison no wanya mfie 42
oh 42 na wo pie no wanya mfie sei
33 na me ko twa
33 years wo
oh prison
Rabanya Miche.
Niaba.
Uko hu Mr. we.
Mr. Tete me ko minu ya be my Crime Check Foundation Ibrahim Kwatin. Understand papa video na the bread. Cause ya na me tie bo anu ni ko prison.
Okay.
Ko ye donation ya de. Papa no story okoye no. No this said there. Me hwe na anu ye me den. Ko hwa wuntimi tese na de se obetimi adana obetimi atenase. Because me share video no o can story bi o say urade e bia me mfie adri se ne ukra e mama ni prison ha
sa
urade mama nko fie na mi nko nti wo sre ahwefo ene your president this is painful e beti maboa me hwa de na me say no ti ho na me frɛ me lawyer wo ha lawyer no pay baby a obi a chia lawyer Kwame Opokuboa me friend no send the video no man first ti ono kra so no put say un say momo sorry giants enti me so no friend ben yo na me friend was raba na dia na dia bremi na me so the person say no oi na we dia be mo na hwa ubetimi na me so me hwa se meet ma bagana enti we dia nya me charge me ye na be 1 week nya ticket na buy na me ne lawyers no ene anka for the me di ho akonya papa ya bere pa ti na esi ewuro mo ana de nya me adom na ne story no tese
ya mi show ba mama na mi sa to ka fra ate papa na mpacho wo wusu nim ho hwe nipa ne do so e de na wo na wo de show abrante no nim no
minim no say ya no betwam wo makura ase
wo he fa
sehwi comfort ntonsuye comfort ho na me do koko
okay
nti obia bo akura wo ni koko mu uko je kwae no pe first a obedi kan do no abo akura wo yes wo te ho so wo yere a na wo yere te ho nti ho na makura ase wo na meti nti na kwan da ho nti obetwam ko ni nuanum bi akura ase ewo machiri sei nti wo twam a mi hu no ono so no bo ase ajama chi o ma je so no twam ko obesen so a bo kura o ba betwam kura na mi ni ho ti mi hu no nti na asem ndi ba ya ode me kan ho se nipa mi yenu bi a na me ni wo mo bohye ya me ni wo mo pray asase we da ha na me da mfimfin no me ma asase no na we adone de na chese obi kura na be je me de no na mansu nti wantumi ando no ko e no hene no e ko yi ho ma me ti na me da wo mo ntam ti wo mo take me wo mansu nti ya na ma bo hene na amane no hene na be yi ma de ama me nti no wo mo na ka kire ne se on fa me nka ho na no mba be yi no na mi kwa se wo me nya masase no nti na ono so e de me kan ho nti no omusan ba prison ko police ho omusan ba ka kire ne se ompe obi nka ho ompe obi nka ho onni police fo ne nyina ye one
wow
ni pamienu na ba ye no onni police fo ne ye one na omu ba ka kire me se anwona boy no wa ka kire wo mu se mene obi be kan ne ho ne ye kokum nipa no na se nipa no uhunu be ka so ye kuroboni uhunu be ka so ye asantini
de omukun ne na anaza de
be me no a nipa no a mene no be kan ne ho ye kokum papa no uhu se nipa no a be ka so ye kuroboni be ka so ye asantini me life no so ohwe se ne a me sitin on se na me se katwi no be ka se bia ne asantini na midin so ne me yesu ye kuroboni nti no na wode aye ayi ka kire police for no the police for no ba me so se me nkire nipa no nipa no a o se me ba so na me bo nipa ni din se ben ye pomo so ben bia ni ho ben na wo ho ya kokora ono kro ti asanwe so ne ya na waba ne mma bi wo ntime na ntempo kakra no de wa nyini pa na oba ekura ho nti na police for no wo mu hunu de wo moye o se me frɛ no ben na wo mokɔ wo mo ba bi sa me na me se wo me de me ni obi a me ka ne ho me yankokum obi a na police for no eni obro de de bia me gibi de bia me gi obro de bia ya bomesa mark pa wo me ho no me kyerɛ wo sisi a na
ti ade mo court
ya court
na wo lawyer
the mom legal aid lawyer no sata mo no wa mani sika onni mo on kasam papa bia
nti wo yi wa no e bia enye
yi mi kan no kresa so liberation time mama mu ya me
te do ko tu
e bia na mire dia nke bia o me hu me mo bo
na nipa na yeso wo kan ho ma ekun unim no dia yekun no papa no se
minimum no me say oba area ho be ye dispenser adwuma dispenser na die ode me kan ho yo no so no ni kro no wie school no so oba abe tran ni papa nche ni papa ho oba ni papa nche na ni papa aboa no ama wanye ska ko ni kro mu akoye akope aban adwuma ye na oba join ye no dispenser no so opese osua dispenser adwuma no nte ho no na ketu asem the statement na kire no kura me de aba hazisi ya the statement na kire se my no mpese otua ne ka na ono so fa bufu no ko tero kwa so do kumu no
to de de kumu
second the confession statement ya wa ma no sa na kire
inti 33 years one ne de mu 33 years no ono so de mu
se o da ho kura
oda so wow
si e jai me no no kura ni dead na mami ye ya ye di jai me no ama ono de odem
no na why na nyi
na nyi che
wo be nya se
no mom ono osunwa kakra
na other person so ono so da so dem
ono de wo remind
Frate. So bene. Zata ka frate. Inti 33 years no. 33 years no eso na bene no be.
Eso ya eja me bae no. 33 no wi edu no. Ma me ya edi me bae no. Me bae ape na ma me di me koma doctor bi e wo dansoman. Se on hwe se yare ha me cause na me sitting no ma me no dwen se me yare o de me come doctor no nti doctor no so ahwe me kire se oye me hu report de come ma me but me ankasa de me hu report no se wo mu me no ntemu asem e ka ba mu enye e ka ketwa misu mi eno de mi nim de ekosi bet mi nim se ma me aboka wa boka wo
raba na mi show no team no pa na nti we nyina ba na wo yire no ma we
mire no ma no mo wafuo mo ho na ni nyina achi no nso so na madamfo nso so aware me yire no yo ne no sese kura o ne na wo fo
na no ye wo madada
na me ne no wo ma 6 na ye wo 5 na no san nyem baako
asa na wo ko no
san ye cheme
tu ba na so wadamfo afa enne o muda so wo
enne o mo jai wakofa be ma foforo
obana sa fa foforo we
jai ono so
na before we go prison say na we ni problem
menene ni asembia
tu ko fi ase kwa wa ma wo da ma hwehwe oda
David mama me hoda
tu ko na oba pani wo be mfie se
no be 13
wow
13
na kitwa ndi onimo
kura sintina awono ba ntente
sa na kitwa ndi kwa ndi onimo
ono de no ni me kura
onimo no sheyefu na wo
sheyefu mu nto de
wo no bai wo hu
na me bai me hu no
tu mana ba ho
ono sese wa ware be me bi
wow kitwa no sheyefu nu mponso aware ne
wa ware awo
na
esan se mi ja o mo ho no a ma ne ye 4 no mo ye 4 me matu na me bai no me bai be na atwumi no ko na atwumi nsa na ba ko oba ba ko wuye nti se aka ma no me nsa be ma mi no na esan se mi ja o mo ho ko ye nti no o mo anya ekom ne ade be ma no ko ware na ma me yire no so nhwe nkoda no o man wo mo o man wo mo ti so o be ma no ne ba no ne no wo no no dwen wo mo ho nti me ba no ekom ne abrabo mu asentalisha na ibisenti wo mo be me bi afra ho no mo
o ma wo sa
nti wo mo ni be me bia
woni aso bi gina ho se me yiri ni
me hwe me yiri no
wow
nti aye basa nti o mo ware me bia ense se o ware so hu no na so se o G20 na se ana G10 obeji se community no waje to wo no wo basa sa
misatete ka frate
tese me ba ya kura no be me bia ni ho mase no nyina obia ni ho a waba me nchen aka se ase waba kura na je once di kura na fato kusuye bi
fa po anum
David
nti omu susu sa ade no unim hu bia na
omu dabi omu susu sa ene ekura ho se makoho me bi asem si ye na me do na me ko e bibire di ho awere ho ma me o di awere ho ma me
wow ene di esan ya be tase ya che wafra
se kura ho no asem ni si ye no obi eni ho le nsa aka obi di awere ho ma me se boy na bo mi din but boy ne de omu bo no wo ho papa na me so me call police station you know and na me so me call je me bro sabe ono so omu amulo biom omu so waka no kurenti na me so omu se me nka no kure ana me ntwa ntro se me ka ho
ade no so nka ho
me nka ho nto obro ne de me ji bi papa
wa hin police station be na
police station asempa ne police station it was sefi ho
Mr. Tete
Nsana me da remind 7 years 7 remind and try son ye court e wo Cape Coast second year Western Region Capital ye court wo ho nti ye court no
o ka say wo remind 7 years no na say before ya do ba court no o da police cell 7 years azan ye do court
police cells no me da ho da ho me fa se be bosumi mienu ana bosumi miensa ene ye call yo so no confit ye into remind ne ye ba kumase remind te kumase na third person no obi wuye ye ba ye be bosumi mienu pe na o yare ye wuye
na ye ntie won masam kra na ye convict mu
se sa na o ye no first court na obeko no mada case no ono ntimi muya just o confit mu ema moko remind na remind no no mo de police for the paper no ko case no ko attorney general the paper no ba near the moko ko ni asan confit mu into trial no just moko capital sani
Emre na so
ma me nyame shirawo nje say dey na moya ama no o say na e ka de mabo no ho bi
ai say dey say wa ye Ghana fo gina dia nti obi o help bi a pese bebo no bi no na papa no so ni ji ewie ni peye e kwanda fa mo betime
nti kwa be na betime de abo no o momo number bi a
ai em say
momo number no kra wo screen no ase nti obia Mr. Emmanuel Tete na semie account ye mo ano wate na enyame kra na ahwe no so a ababedu celebrate 33 years we fia senya bete wanya 75 abusua no nyina nwonwunan na nyonko brebo asa aware ne yira account ti 024 7721 68 day 5 says woman BM 024 7721 685 obia obenya kakra bia yemfa mu a Mr. Tete eraba nyameche wa ya de pa edin a wo so ye den Emmanuel Techie wa ya de pa nyamehira wa ye bebre no de na bedu ha woni ni team no nti enso ye de kakra ye benya de aboa Mr. Tete de na Ghana fo yema wa wani beso
say mami adwin say opeso si da baby mami na me timi kotena ho
ye raba Mr. Tete nsuate nim say suni ye tears of joy wow
if say akra ha meti ono no mami baby te so mitimi trawa forever nto opese anka dofo no boa
sa
o si da kakra bi mami nti boa me hia pa se ombe boa mami na de wadwen afa me ho obebem
momwa enim say so tonso for more day kono minimum ayedin kakra so pebe bia ma ne de ne ti ato nso kakra betumi aka ne de no wa ye bi dodo oni ne team no ma ye dodo na mi show so wo ye ne sa na mi show pa na mi show edamase obazo de bibi kitu ebetwa to yemre naso
yes edamase bebris mama ya kwenya enti se na mi shira Ghana fo ne afefo ne atiefo nyina
sa shira edamase ewi ase ya o ya da piwak natural health for ase 3P garlic mixture akọ pharmacy ne herbal shops a ubenya biato na wo de boost your immune system no yare bi how wo ja bro so no se wono bi eboa wo na face St. Andrews Senior High School yemfie ma no nkoho na mo fairly schools na St. Andrews or board ni de nti ba bia wo bia timi de ne ba ho Kel Kit toothpaste nso intwitwi nkura na se anopa ane anwumre won se se yare bia makra na so kidi minister akra wo so oni die o ma ne bia obedidi fine enyumaku ya da roma no mbo ye chidom ahofade ye wo fa mame na Augusto Studio 1 ase onne pam no fefefe ede mame timida na se bebre uko Instagram a benyo Augusto Studio na design we ni zen bia no odi bia ma number no eye momo number me hu se mo frefre wo frɛ na wo check here ho na wo send we ha na wo send nyame show so be ne sa me die fia amankwa tamaklo ha na mdu besie kwasinsia ye krado ede pensem mono etwaso
STV na fe Go TV multi TV channel so you live and so on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Baby be a social media be akwa search Adom TV. Adom TV. Ebeba amonya streaming be actually live. And so on many and come on me be and come on as revelations wo just say no come die kese ekoso wo Alisa Hotel. Yema around down no nyina se ne ko e de efaye. Ene enkomodia ekoso wo Alisa Hotel. Restaurant one enranwe as of 7:25 p.m. Sankomodiri nyina yema around down. Happy birthday koma Madam Dora Frempong. Mama we if you ma ene onananom ehonom no o ma Janet Frempong your Ministry of Works and Housing. Afi ama Safua ena Angela. Onananom nyina ka bom se ye ma utrim kwa nyame enhyiraw na wonya okese kopem se obeye kese pa. Omse omodo dodo esa se nyawo a ekomunim ba bia ekodo wani ekire so aso so mumu kakra sa nyakopo enhira no nyo kese ba me Dora nyame nyo kese kopin so be ye kese party once again happy birthday to you Madam Dora so na belated happy birthday so enkoma down Opokuya or Riverside Academy ye wo fumesa we so free nana awuko ye wo enhira 104.5 FM enu ana ye wawoda entimi awehwe fa cheme ma happy belated birthday nyame enhira na also onyo kese kopim so be ye kese pam ka so yakopon eyad ma memneda 19th November 2022 ye nyina de ne kire Asante Manteman Kumase isas wo na ye nyina ye nua oman hene Kwabena Asante ne papa eyo kese no baso enti empanisi ne ade ato ne nyo no na eyi yenkoje oman hene isas Kwabena de ono a enka obeba yenkoje no wonkura ne maame ne papa akiri kra no eni enkra etwato free attacks for assets because a memne da 19th November 2022 ewo Kumasi nti a free ya wada ni fiada eko nyina all road leads to Kumasi brane beja omahine Kwabena Asante na onkra de papa emano enye fesa so na yako kese nkoma Kofi Edire ya wakasapa FM wasimwa eda from Kofi ase aso ye no baso so ewo Kumasi TUC onso yaba be kan na waja wakokra wase ama no aye fe ya for asekese enkoma Hepa Plus mixture edu papa pe na abadwa so obi agye atum na onum bie ebua atu entidi ya de ase ema immune system no ano aye den agina ne na so eye Hepa Plus mixture o kan yesi edu papa pa eno no Ghana ba bia tondro bia no okwa wonsa ebeka bi ato memma ne empa ofieda isa sa side entidi ya de no asanso abaye immune system booster eboama immune system no ano ye den immune system ne yenkwamo woni padwan mu a yade bi eba na sa no ye mbra na yade na de sunkunim no se immune system na no odia ebedi yade sunkunim ti amofre bi wabeti say na we de yare chiro ebi ntimi nchine because the immune system na no odin unya Hepa Plus mixture na timi aboa aboosti immune system no e de amount Ghana ba bia tondo bia kwonsa ebeka bi ato Franco Trading Enterprise so enim say your phone TV say your fridge deep freezer say your TV fan na wo hwe me patro do ni eche Franco Trading Enterprise okrobata Okumase ene enkran obenya ne ma ne bo efo ye besiese dem akura ma wabrabo timi ahwanwo Franco Trading Enterprise be to ne bo fokra edi amo komunche na omu osese Kel Chaco toothpaste ensu ene yetwe ese apo yesam yesa kama yenum betoso ebidie ene ede aye aka che odada se enkatini ma menom adibidie no ebrobro body tresom ne ede yetwe yese eba ne sa ma ase no eye fitaa etute kama so akekma so adaho tute obi abakasa bia no bi ekoso ye Kel Chaco toothpaste da ro ese body tre no efiri sense body ekra ba abo aba yedin like am say twetwa body tre ede ama eti ede toothpaste ye fe the Kel Chaco toothpaste enti bidie na na yede two body tre so etwies na noa na yede aye Kel Chaco toothpaste ahoden ya ewom no enoa na da so ewom ye kope bi efa entwies supermarket bi abekobia no obenya bi enso on okọ hospital doctor ka kire wo say omoja so ate unya mojedu ampacho ba kope City Blood Tonic eno ena unya na timi abo nwekwe na so yasene emiere mpensem dwumadie eto aso de amedin de akwasi ense free sabre kopensa no nkro boye babadi enkomo ede afa o my Ghana enkanko ene mpuntuo ehom sanso na happy birthday enkoma Eunice Owusu ya wo Holland Life Insurance Head Office if you chiame amwako ehom Eunice osiyama happy birthday nyame enchira ye pe na dem se part no ebekoso pe patcho nyame ya wanu anya kakra to wanu mu a yeme mrebi nene nsabo aide tukono obi atwa no ayiro ho anom enra enhyemdie bi ekoso wo Alisa Hotel ya efa the majority caucus led by Honorable Osei Chairman Sabosu and other leaders of the caucus and the national executives Edema, the New Patriotic Party, and also led by Stephen Ayensu in team. The General Secretary, National Organizer, Women Organizer, Treasurer, no more Kahunina. And then common na etia wanina for the call for Ken Ofori-Atta to resign or sacked by the president. enura fortunate na me so wo Alisa Hotel hono na mame ko amaso na mene nana ayiu afriye enkodi enkwasa na mako enura na esiye wo Alisa Hotel kokos meeting na ampanifo eye no eho oka NPP mrahye yafo mani abre dendende se eye onmonya for Ken Fori ata all reason na sema mpani empam no na na tie kai mo achare pai eba Badwam dwumadi so na Adom TV
ya mejo so me tie for tie pe dia so koi for
etie for jo so and was
na my friend me you intimi semo onya ne tie ma me what
but ye hwetew enu a momiti si awdura mo ye nyina se na pono ekowie ye mo kwa ne se Ken Ofori mo pena na be ready 2023 budget na na still would so jina mo na so
it's not the position of your caucus no Ken in here say obaba be ready budget no it's nothing personal but that's the feedback now.
Okay, so if it's not personal, na a feedback amunya from constituency, but constituency no say Ken Ofori ye na onya de as finance minister, and I said who na afuno mo as finance minister.
Yes, I think that mefa who na afuno nipa no because sana me ka wo station is no. The nipa that's a no wabua economy ni konanim cover the buy na dey nsem the way na buy. Cover the import in last year na EPK up na Russia war in the buy. It free January February awa hu here mu buy prices. Nyama kosro nipa na ticket aketua wo form nyama wo form and for about 3-4 months omu left omu right wo so akọ catch omu there IMF de wo kwa edin ntina eye confidence na aba form one mu. However much you're hard working and you're very competent at this point, you know, the watchete, the waka, the woman of failure for 3-4 months, no. Ni real fee o papa wa ya man in na in the air. I hope no another a confidence and above form. So at here.
Okay.
And yet the NDC for no call list propaganda and all sort of falsehoods. We are not interested in that. You won't be there. Victor Smith the car. I say, oh, President Kofo be account to the way or cooperative bank statement almost year 2008. Emma creating impression be said oh Kofo accounts will be bini hon can have it one day or bavet and be in many senators or bavet. You buzan say politics. And these are things we see as politics. We are not in with that evidence, you know. Speak a rule say or mon culture mo ase wo ho. So be ya yam be bona sendue mu aba on kasa ye aba yan hwehwe mu ye. But here stands na there young person among for the be confused and this for there. Here two different things altogether.
Okay.
At this point, you know, Ken has done well, confidence has gone down, the people feel sad. There must be a change.
Okay.
And yes, we are there to hold. And this time around, no, President Frey only a Kasai at TNC and almost they can call out a 1 or 2, 3 into they are back to the original position. But what you say?
Okay.
At this point, you know, that is the position. The Ekoye Walisa Kokan na no me bond the top fan with the Mawa a position ye Kokan ye the appear with money the intimi control.
Okay. But before say Obekono, industry players now more a confidence no any honum no. Me patcho confidence no any was because Ken Ofori can say yam call IMF ne ko wi chima penisi yam call.
Na me say my boni na the amount masikani na the confidence is based upon objective or subjective. Based upon how you see the issue. And I'm a boy IMF, me boy na hochira ekofo. And then nesika onya, and then nesika etu. Ordina akobo finance minister. And then we are saying no finance ministers are struggling all over. But what you say?
Okay.
They are struggling all over. It doesn't matter the way you na at this point no dear. People that say no say otuna jimua. There can be no tie. And that is where we have got into.
Okay.
And I can't say any personal, but that is the feeling. And we need to act on behalf of the people, whether they are right or wrong. Just give it to them and let's see how it goes.
Does it mean that Ken Ofori everyone more the confidence of our economy no ebeba manema jina gakra?
And I'm catching that is where it is now. So give it to them and let's see how it goes. Because definitely a new person, new hope, new work.
But under the same economic management
team, if you look at economic policy, market response, uncertainty, confidence, speculation. So what is here? The man means that we can't talk, but a bit me sell preoccupy overnight. So what is here?
Okay.
That's all. Into the try and give that out to the market, and then the trust will take it up from there.
Okay. Do you see Ken Ofori difficult?
Jack, me ko bomb from a flight down to us. Why?
Okay.
If you idea what they make up and down, why na bigina? Into what be bia? Why?
I say you see mu ko akohia otumfo.
There be any otumfo na me ko Tamale aba.
There be nyawo me say majority caucus.
There be and me nyawo.
Okay.
All right.
But me that say. Eti Dr. Nana Ayu Afriye Afiyase asokore mrahye bedwani na mte se yene no edi enkomonom. Ba na no person be kuma Balisa hotel meeting e course no nyina enso ye se enra party ni penfo e ba no nkuta position bi. Party ni position mo de to majority caucus na nim ye enra ye TB. TB NSA. National executives ne ka kire majority caucus ye NPP nafa ese se omuyi kenofreta se sie ye ka say se mapani pinina ade echi osima pam kenofreta IMF sikano ebeka akiri IMF sikano ebeka akiri 2 the appointment of a new finance minister. You are about taking over from Ken Oforiata Seyine and Neya Yekaseya. Ebeye Chimaminchi Elmasho because of NDC for position you about taking our new appointment and Nakufado Ebeye Hunti. Party ne say the government no unse party biya wo amamumua. There were 3 forms of government in my party no. The party in parliament, the party itself, and the party in government. Almost so omo anya December year hwem se sebetimi aka eye IMF sika no emma enti ka majority no hold it down kakra na kana frata fie nwie IMF no me ba betoa eye nkomodi e course ewo Alisa Hotel no ano eso de ma me kwa amanso biem na me NDC MP for Ningo Pram ekodi enkomo Sam George. Ona wote ya kai wa channel pay eba Adom TV bedwam dwumadi so.
Mejo so munya be ma me share it for me.
For Joso Eda wase. And the position and the ruling of speaker as a year refer motion to an ad hoc committee no as a member of parliament. What do you say?
Well, Enra was a unique, and it's the first time Enra, the big to say Enra is the Fourth Republic and the parliament anymore. Because 1999 DNO was not a motion of censure. It was a motion asking the minister to resign. They are 2 different things. And yesterday was a novelty. Now, Yakai, as a member of parliament, the minority group, Yakai Article 82(4) any 5. Now, we believe that once the motion was moved, it will be debated, and then you better show about our parliament. But we kind of standing orders, standing orders. Let me say standing order 108. Like I said, we essential motion now. The minister in question must be given the opportunity to be heard, which is consistent with Article 82(4) of the Constitution. But also, like I said, he can be heard with counsel. Now that is where the sticking point comes, because we share hearing him with counsel. His counsel, that's his lawyer. His lawyer is a stranger to parliament. The lawyer no on to him back the floor of the house to come and support him in giving his defense. Because the lawyer, like I said, is a stranger to parliament and won't be allowed on the floor of the house. And that's how parliament operates. Because we share the MP bisa question if a police for who and your IGP in the Baba Yano.
Yeah.
Because the IGP is a stranger to parliament. That's how parliamentary process is. And you will say Minister for Interior no mum, and Baba Yano. Because Minister no has audience with Parliament. However, the member of Parliament say obey picky issue specifically with the IGP or the Beko Committee on Interior and Defense. Because at the committee levels, experts and persons who do not have audience in plenary, they get audience before the Committee of Parliament. And now Speaker Eteki is our route. That's the understanding I have of the Speaker's ruling. Because of that councillor, I say, on one within the defense, the Speaker felt that we need to have that go before an ad hoc committee of Parliament. And then I want to
finance committee for. But was setting up special ad hoc committee. I'm almost 7 days. Now, one more report. But let's again remember, say, no committee of parliament shall bring a report that will be binding on the plenary. Committee need the amount as you must say, who the report be back. We report in a toya sum chamber nemo plenary na yebediatum and toya suma yebet boy. The Petebe stand be woman, I bet to me stand be woman. Remember, even recently, when the Privileges Committee brought their report on Ajwasafo, their report was that we should declare her seat vacant. Parliament plenary seat, there be anyone who Yaboigu. And there have been several other instances where plenary has rejected or amended the recommendations of a committee. And the Speaker of my committee in 7 days, they would bring their report back to the plenary. I think I have a debate. Apart from the motion mover and the seconder, and the majority leader now, the speaker did not allow debate on the motion. And say, now debate on the motion will happen. Debate on the motion, debate on the report will happen when the report is laid. Yes, our debate we will then take a vote on the report. And so I'm sure within the next week, committee they want to report
okay. You share the position of minority against the majority. Now go no either Ken Ofori-Atta resigns and as a president, a free the position eso. But a kwanya mumfa so e de akono na e different. A kwama mumfa so betimi bridge that gap na beto montem to make sure say mo achieve that purpose na dem onim no.
I think the position of the majority group yesterday was unfortunate. As I said, this is the reason why Ghanaians no longer trust politicians. Because politicians become the big adebako. It's not now it's all yet nyawakano. No, of course, I mean, nobody put a gun to the head of the majority group. Brown year press conference, I want to see they are calling for the head of Ken Ofori-Atta. Nobody put a gun to their head. And they will see who pretend now, and you see in all of this, the person who ultimately has the blame is the president. Because even if Parliament had agreed yesterday and both the majority and minority group had voted and passed a vote of censure, Ken Ofori-Atta will still be minister today, except the president, based on 82.5. Parliament, every essential motion, the president has to then act. Now, it is not mandatory on the president because it does not say the president shall, or see, he may. And if everybody in the president's own party is calling for the head of Ken Ofori-Atta and the president is refusing to act, I honestly think that we shouldn't have even gotten to a vote of censure. The president should have simply taken action. You understand me?
Okay.
And so the president's inaction is what is bringing this confusion and this unfortunate situations in Parliament. Because he should have simply taken action. He should have shown leadership. Meaning, the president cannot change him. Everybody admits that the fundamental problem of Ghana's economy is perception. Perception-driven. And then the fiscal indiscipline. But to start the fiscal correction, you need to deal with the perception. The perception is that Ken Ofori-Atta is incompetent to manage the economy. Case closed.
Almost say or you're incompetent.
Everybody accepts this. Everybody knows this. So why is the president refusing to remove the one person who is the root cause of the problem? I don't understand it. And the majority, they've shot themselves in the foot. 80 MPs now, me a press conference, Now we see one person, Ken Ofori-Atta. A group of you will talk now. I mean, tomorrow when you come and say anything, will your constituents take you serious? Your constituents will not take you serious. Because they realize that we come at the balcony, but now we are at the football. I mean, and that's very unfortunate. And it should not be something associated with politicians.
Okay.
We must be men of our words, especially members of parliament.
Okay.
The title be as honorable. Being honorable means that you must be a man of integrity and a man of your word. And yesterday's actions do not show that honor and integrity.
Okay. Honorable Samuel George, a member of parliament, what Ningo Pram, the Greater Accra region, I'm to say, Eddie and Common, about 12 so Fiji, Honorable George, a former deputy minister for food and agriculture, former member of parliament. What can I say?
Oh yeah. Pa. But it depends who GD any the was to anamo. As an ashiyama. Me de she mama pa.
Okay. And then Friday, 11th November 2022. And then the Ministry of Food and Agriculture started a pilot project. Say, enyane a ewo yenkura kese mu eboden. Abai pe kwan bi obetimi afa so aboa ma nnuane ne bo aba fam. One of the cardinal factors here eka wo bi ma nnuane bo ekosoro ememu transportation. Abai say o intervene se na be ya transport cost no obeji bi e de abonebo. Na aboa ama nnuane bo aba fam. Enne o fiti segment na say e Ministry of Food and Agriculture they are massive na local government workers. Semu apese mo tomu nnuane no umeto ewo ministry no ehonam ne ewu se na ne bo no eba from the fa afei eteki shape na ye trim e de kom miamia odo ampanfo outline e de amomo ona bakwa babiem na this initiative one ministry no amitu omo no madi nkomo about it mo ye ho pilot ne
okay you will mean that was na minche o T4 de mo ahefo na magana for aso te say anamo we tu enye na ya na ehase
okay
so we can dance ya president na nkasa o share traders minister de ka share o na president say share o who say we are seeing nyina ehye a Ghana ye ka ho enti enema bi bo ekosoro last week statistical service inflation here on the bank come gas food contribute to here the
43.7%
rising cost the president no mushi say fine name mo achi there but then say the musi tutu niam mu e be ya mo mra from kakra say yes a ho kira banti na ye take advantage on that omo ntie wo the minister no mo ekan president no maka omo ntie Ministry of Food and Agriculture a department be every week be
okay
omo kodwom kojeje
market surveillance
markets yes prices near the ba omo so no omo kasa omo ntie fine it is 2 weeks ago once the Minister of Agri minister by from 2017 up to today every year be you go around the country the whole country
okay
the then 10 regions now 16 every region you visit I assess the food situation on the ground.
Okay.
It is 2 weeks ago, you visited 5 regions. Western, North, Western, Central region, Volta region, and Uti. By a cohoro, Ukohuniania, Yedia Nuku Yena, you say, oh, Yamiadum, a Diane dear, a bio Ghana.
Okay.
Diane said Diana be short with the Ghana, be Ancana Comantoni, a Diane oh. But Niani be a Huyen. Bibi is a body, you could body.
Okay.
Honorable
Samson
Ahi Krum, Budi. Body be a down there, a busa and a born. Now do any share Accra, ne borna. Say, what tears ya in ye.
Okay.
There no moody ding come. Say, your body be able body wa. A bear 7 cities, and I said times 10 cities. Somebody no, when you Accra be say 50.
Body drew. Up and two.
Pentu pa solid one. I couldn't so tell you. Solid one pa.
Okay.
There's a 10 cities. How when you for one base 50 and now 40, 45. 80 now to say the margin between body 10 cities will body. Ne Accra na bebe 30 cities.
30 yeah.
And there's no way a car the body back could be fee body Accra or budget 20 cities. Is see that.
Sure.
To what I say. Enti now human the car be gym fast back we only best 5 city per one. It comes about 15. That's all turn how all flow the near day in account one and go see 20. That's a who told 50 there. That is say what you say in ye. Enti minister one or your announcement say you wait on near back we make sure say e the nuane be back Accra.
Okay.
And now hwe ho kira aba wiase nyina Ghana ka ho no. Sikasem wide ne enti ene saa especially adwumayefo no na omo ho ahenha omo kakra
okay
na MPP aban ne ye nidwa ye supporto say aban na engage in self with trade ni ade
okay
the ban minister Fred business people Nipa 6 in no more dim komo. Sisi
business people are why more.
Oh, ready for more.
Okay, traders some more a gem.
Nye dwom for no be. We anybody who crab wetin aba. Ma bodo tuma who start with about 200,000 you make money.
Okay.
Enti ye buy na no mudi nkomo no. Me fa yeso kan Bandai Uti region.
Uti yeah.
Bayre Accra ha. Me hu Bayre aton 25 cities that. One.
Yeah. Medina market we nya bisa.
But Bayre it range from depend on the size.
Yeah.
It range from 5 cities, 7 cities,
Bayre
8 cities, 10 cities. Bayre. Kese. Depend on the size. E die no mu di nkomo ni nyina wie ye no. Omo de Bayre na ama omo no. Omo de Bayre na beba Accra ha.
Okay.
Oto Bayre no ho. Otua transportation. No the margin atoso.
Okay.
Yeah, you are going to sell the Bayre no between 8 cities to 12 cities. Maximum. Kesepa maximum. 8
businessman na
12
ma form no.
Yes.
Ebekwa akoto Bayre na free bia Bandai. Ebia Tamale, ebia Sola.
We dey start with.
Yeah, me can say be hwe be bia Bayre dia.
Okay.
Eti ono no ebe calculate transportation. Or the margin kakra ebe to so. Ministry be 12 free. Ono no.
Yes.
Na ministry
no. Okay. Ono ade ba ye man ye provide access the canopy, ye facilitate.
Oh, okay.
No about beton. Your money premises no about beton. The margins that so. Or TNT.
Okay.
Because from by the food truck no. Kia Rhino say one.
Yeah.
A farm maximum 10,000. From Bandai and now Utiri into Accra. Is between 10,000 to 14,000-15,000 cities.
Okay.
Food truck.
For transportation.
Okay. No the aba. No the margin at also.
Okay.
You better by year 8, 10, 12, maximum 12 cities.
So yeah, sure. Transportation in Kabareba could be a best about 150 pesos.
Omo charging is charge per
a full truck no.
100. Omo 100.
Oh, okay.
It be 100 be 100 cities. 100 be 80 cities. 100. And sometimes you know, to say we are can you know me say a emergency issue. Yen person ba ko fa ka bia kan ba be do o se na so ye ne ya. No aka kwan so. Kai ba o se memfi meti dabi. The peka is solid.
Okay.
And the nyina so ka cost no.
Yeah.
Because there are more criteria be also omo use.
Emiti.
Aha. Enti ono analysis of the man na be na me dey making.
Okay.
The and say aba be do boko. But the price range should be 8 cities. 10 cities.
To maximum 12 cities.
Yes. And about the so ranging from 10 cities, 15 cities, and then 20 cities. Kese pa woman sana beko. It you know can be wie the ene. And a first consignment in there. Eba.
Okay.
And then no also Ghana rice. On the side of rice, you know, the Turkey imported rice, 5 kilos. Just 5 kilos.
Yeah.
It be 120 cities.
Yeah.
It be 130. It be 105. Ghana rice, you know, the any board din pa 80 as of now. It also no marker. And then almost a year bazaar be war if was Southern Park.
Oh, okay.
And the facility also. Now Wednesday there food a lot of rice emundi abaho. No be a mama to be.
Yeah.
Now and then the na ministry no. Now ministry na target market in here like civil and public servants now war within the ministry enclave no.
Okay. So be a medini dwa.
So nyani dwa. Say items na the 3 items na starting.
Okay, the
bayre.
Okay.
Body na emu.
Oh, okay.
To start. Next week the tomatoes na the beka ho. Tomatoes so ya gisove no. Na ohwe dom ton udwom na. Ene say dom koto farm gate na. Oti ase a enye yie. But eduru me bi a for me ye nipa no. Can etu na mo bi a ye mia 100. Last week ya cooking oil 650 cedis.
Yeah.
Obi di cedis store na also on ton. Me train price every Kumasi.
Yes, you be 1,000.
Aha. E say e 1 hour time or say 1,001. Ade our to si ho. Our turn 650 na. The fast also. Ojira ho within 1 hour or say 1,100.
But honorable, or more concern be a mutarizi say. Yes or no as a retailer. Wakoto and we calculating in first nyina na be 650 cedis.
Correct.
Now the wholesaler now or no importing I don't know a deban. Or see because of dollar CD issuing tip.
Correct.
Or coin no a costro. Now or turn 650 Ghana cedis. Next time we for the same at the chrono. Or back on na a free yeah and first you 650 now kwa could be say 800.
Correct.
A kwam bit me afa so average that gap between 650 and 8 and no me asa for the same quantity abeton.
This is very simple. Me a business person.
Okay.
Sadi okofa na wo turn 615 o margin was.
Yeah.
Okofa na be say 500
yeah.
150 to so.
Sure.
Uko no na usika na it me for 100 gallons. Say what turn 650 you have too many call 800.
Yeah.
Nto kwa ebe fa 80 gallons.
80 gallons, yeah.
O quantity na so better.
Sure.
And no be fan 800. Nto dia no ba o be turn 900 and that's 1,000.
Yeah.
So you make margin based on your cost price. And in the expenditure, your fixed cost and variable cost.
Yeah.
So this becomes your variable cost. So as soon as it moves, then you move.
So are you now saying say wanting the quantity so na?
You have to.
Because don't also forget say ebia kwaji loan. The more you sell, and on fast one be cost.
Yes.
To be able to service your loan. For example, say maji loan yeah make me 100 boxes. Let me service me loan.
Very good.
And then me koton 80. Don't forget say me short me loan no payment by best 20.
And don't forget that in business,
yeah,
the higher your turnover, the higher you make money.
Well, cultures was in the turnover and higher.
And I'm saying your higher your turnover, the higher you make money.
Yeah.
It is a whole turn of 650. Minimum be no your school feeding.
Okay.
And no kotobi at 650 or 1,001. One to
yeah.
Or call back. Or friend also a koto ajomo. When you substitute, it is a that is an have a ton tenner. But to not tombe 2 per. Your turnover has gone down.
You see, it means
the higher your turnover.
Yeah.
It is 650 now or 1,000. Who turn in is here? Ebia now margin 100.
Yeah.
It will cook to 80 now. Now your margin the margin can be let's say 120, 150 to make up the lost earnings. Who are just make a crazy. So in business, the higher your turnover,
okay,
and our profit the cost.
Okay.
Not the quantity. For instance, me to idea we me the J 1,000 cedis.
Sure.
Obi tombi or the J 800. 800 which might tombe 50,000 copies a day.
Sure.
Now the J 1,000 now turn 7 pieces a day. You've lost.
Yeah.
So in business, the higher your turnover, any business.
But for example, now we can say obi a school feed in your copy and water. What budget is 650, no say 1,001 to wakoto, what substitute with ajongo. Now it means say a full babeluzi o market because say o market no empe e bia ajongo. Baby our market ne peno e bia anwana ankasemu. It is say o substitute with any other product. Don't forget as a businessman, so you're also going to lose chunk of customers say bia what treaty or more with something like this.
I'm saying found go back to kitchen.
Okay.
So who use anwana who use ajongo, who use market. Oto ajongo na me do call kitchen back. Unimanka.
Yeah.
Ekutu ya.
Yeah.
O di leaves no.
Yeah.
O di be chi ajongo no so.
Okay.
We are not the no.
Okay.
Achisu.
Okay.
Ochisu a fa compare anwa.
But
difference be.
So ka kreba na me kwa wasu na me ne wakasa nya Eric Opoku eni kobo. Ranking member on the Parliamentary Select Committee on Food and Agriculture. Ona woti aka watch na pay eba Badwam so Adom TV.
Majos minia.
Boko de.
Anyame adumo na kwa ho ye.
Ya da nyame ase. And near Minister of Food and Agriculture at the Ebene said, yeah, they share go a taking care of transportation. Adama adwadefo se na be ya enwiane buo wo ekrom no ebeba fom baby a wote sustainable de betumi aboa yen going forward.
Yo dey ka meda wase me nua hwan na wa fidie no so na menchia ne
ona bo George Odro
as na danfo pa
wadanfo pa George Odro
oh Odro dey want to say
na oye
hey it's in catch up out oh me yonko brabo na so na say on game yo me nua em say agric minister so o ka akeka Mbajo utie me de.
Me tie o akaka de ne say.
Ya kekeka. Ene say. Wo se okon krase no. Body abu won krase. But oba kroma ne bo no aye dendenden wa ha.
Yeah.
Enti okofa body na ba beton wo ministry ho. Ama na aye fo. Na nya na so kan ye ni.
Sure.
Okofa ba say aban pekas e de akofa ba. Ananse kuafo na na etia ka eska do mo yema na ba.
O se aban apɛ businessmen. Ya wa change media ndi amobo. No mo so tete omo ebo so kakra se de aban betimi ya mitiko mo halfway.
Mbacha otie ni yo.
Okay.
Ye hunu aban hihye bia e kire se akuafo ne ane omo dua no. Aban ekotua kan sika ma wo mo de abaha. Because one of the factors are ama kroma duane na ye dua no nkrase bo aye den no cost of transportation no.
Sure.
So petrol ya tutumu no apart from cost of production akosro no o transport so ane bo na basro. Now saban say body abu because say duane abu sesi a wo nkrase na ye body ane bayire. This is the time you do ye tu bayire. This is the time you travel there. Afibia say ya na eye. Akabo so pepe. Open body na wunya bio. E ba jawo tma say.
Yeah.
Na body no ko. Enti se sia no. The minister no can say aban ko high cash. Na body na ye twa no nkrase relu akɔhwe atwea ba. Ama amanfo anya bi atɔ adi fofofo. Ana say kwani na ntia kes gavana de mra.
Aban si ono na epeka na through businessmen no mo aye engagement no mo de enwiane na free kwaye ni mo de aba ekrom.
That businessman no o ka businessman kura wa san de asama ba. Business person bia no ne motivation ya profit making.
Sure.
And you know so already no you man na o mu free kan kuma se konkura na se kotoba. O mo no koto no price na e ho bo no wo form. No, the case you cannot be few on a banaka. And so the profit margins why they so abeton. And the my who price now, you who know crumbs is yano. Now, such a businessman and acquire dia. A dia subsidy now what they manner and to anticipate say what the bedra price back up. We need to understand all these things.
Okay, or say only businessman no akasa. Ama or what tiasia say. This is the price, yeri babeje, and quote unquote, a be a reasonable price, a be benefit businessman no, a be benefit a buying, now benefiting the partner or barbetono. So businessman no, make huge profit beer, I was said a beer, you wouldn't want to of late.
When I'm saying issues never maybe an boako from Nankasano, a man for Yantia. Number one, I'll say, I say no. You depend more on organic fertilizer.
Sure.
I have fertilizer crab any DBI there no. Abaya catch the for say. Sabaya, mono by any beba form, would be an able beba form to may abine. That's 50%. I have fertilizer bono. Now, most 50%. Ebasa cost of production no, a back from Kakra. Muya, I may be affordable. Who is that way? Aban subsidy offered Lazar no 50% of it.
Hey, honorable.
Me no make it no.
Instead of 50%, no.
Bisano, so better kasana boa. Bisano, afi.
Okay, Pato, unim just na say what the serious part. Honorable Jojo Charity.
Yes. Or kind will boom you say pay. Fertilizer assembly or can.
Yeah.
In 2016, 17. Now you turn 160 cedis.
Okay. Honorable, but just check a camera.
A year 400.
Yeah.
So paying 50% of 160, any 15% of 400.
Okay, so I buy you soon nominal figures.
Yes, because of the cost. Now at that time, they 50%.
Yeah.
The cost was $350 per ton.
Okay.
International market.
Okay.
Now it is 1,250 metric ton per ton.
So it means about 35% a car na aban for free ekuafo so through fertilizer no asa kodi ekuafo no.
Yes, because paying 15% of 400 is even bigger than 50% of the wages.
Because obi anim say na akabai enfa nominal figures in yet about the percentage. And then the free percentage nominal figures.
I don't know my figures because why? Because Ghana budget in ministry beyond budget too. You cannot go beyond a certain threshold. You can say be a minister of local government.
Yeah.
Be a assemblies near the this year. Your budget in a year 1 billion. Yeah. Amount 18 billion.
Okay.
It's not possible.
Okay. But Honorable Rekoboku. Eti enchiremu a Honorable Jojo Dro e de benemizi watibi. Say because of nebo across international marketing tea and a nam so bia ma ban and so cut it down percentage ya. Yeah, bitie.
Wakasa kama.
Okay.
Odro onimansa no say dey make kan akinye bi ani ho. Say subsidy a what fertilizer no home the milk for no 15%. Now, the argument no are correct. O say fertilizer bo na kosoro ewo amanone.
Yeah.
And unti na ama subsidy na koye ketekete akoye 15 no. Now tie ni the entia o the subsidy ne ba ene say o ba say ye bia na cost na e ka be bo no enya ketwa. Na ema aduane bo enkofom. Eti ubetua fertilizer no half the price. Na kuani no atua half. Ana o se fertilizer no bo no cost nti o subsidy is akoye 50% pe. And I just say fertilizer bo na aye den. Enti ebema cost of production akosoro ebema aduane bo nso aye den.
But Honorable Eric Opoku, in this same vein, Honorable
bo na akosoro no enya ne bo akosoro wo amansan dwomunti o.
Okay.
That is not true.
Okay.
The exchange rate na ya mismanage no and akofa aba.
And na edietia yen.
In 2016, the na fertilizer ba ko $100. Na say exchange rate your 4 cedis a. And na ya exchange rate na do 15 cedis no bo na do say.
That's 1,500.
Government bia unim se ne aduane hu hia. Now we need say without agriculture, economy not collapse. I say no, so more resources for agriculture. Now subsidy no,
okay.
Now when the new money born no cost so, as a result of the mismanagement, the recklessness of the government on the handling of the exchange rate, you know, I say now also reduce
subsidy.
Subsidy.
Okay, but Honorable, one issue to you say. Minister for Food and Agriculture, Dr. Usuefri Akoto-Kaite, say, "Oko efuomu wono. Despite say fertilizer, ya buy the ma ekuafo what subsidy ne so no. Still, enuane buo ewo fom pa as compared to CSU aduane no e dey free farm gate, e dey apa krokesemu. That is where they want to find a way.
Afi bia no, se wonima ekuafe edubra ye twa bode a, ode ebu da bia ye bia ebu. Ebu afibia.
Okay.
Afibia ba ye ebu da. Ebu bra ye tua. But the problem is you need storage facilities. It you need store body no. And I yet in process body no fancy. Na edu mean season na ne boy ya dey ho ya dey na ye nya bi dia ye dey e dia ba. That has been the challenge.
Okay.
Na unima. Ba ire se sie yo ko ba bi etu ba ire na. Obekwa from egugu ho bebre e check akra ni nyina be pro ye ni storage facility bia e di sa ni mari nyina e sei kwa e di sa o kan se afi agu a every year be do bra ye twa body a body ni bu. Now the problem we have in this country is that ebu a ekurase wa na wo no ye kurase ebu no obi adua bi fa na koto obi de and the money you full work hono. Now problem omo farmers no want to say. So what kind of what you see a cross or a back chroma. Can't you tell what the bano? Or the do no. Nobody no buono. What pop not the buona yet. Okay, this will do bano. None the coin is that bet nobody in now say 2-3 days now break.
Yeah,
in a day. I say. In fact, last week the free conference bano. The top body account back one. I share
bɔdeɛ bebree wɔ kwan no so sama no sɛ wahu sɛ wabɔ ka zero because wafa kɔ haka koraa enti sɛ aban pɛ sɛ ɔsolve that problem na yɛ no yɛwɔ storage arrangement bi a ɛnka bɔdeɛ yɛbɛtumi ama bafafoɔ koraa akɔtɔ na ɔma bɛsɔ anaa do we have that in place? We don't. But I would say, company be Ghana, they produce banana and they export banana. They export banana to Europe and other countries. Omu titi plantain no meye kama. Banana no Colombia, omu produce banana. Omu titi export to UK. Adena minister, sa innovation way, yentimi nyebi.
Okay. But honorable Opoku,
yen try na yentimi for means
okay.
You bet me store plantain no, you bet titi. Now I last a bit longer.
Okay.
So they do leases, you know. Now you are enough plantain. Emma born on cost. But this arrangement are what you idiot. Assuming say, even our car, so the cost of the body, Akofa, Yavan say body of your body aba. Wako to body of the farmers no. And I say, all the body of the bouquet, some about the town or ministry honum. Would you be free honum, ever be do hano? That transport cost no. Aban jo ni kawan betia. So the beka ho. Saban na me koto body abeton and what turn of war. Yes, we agree.
Okay.
But in the media, and some you amuka, ya na yemu bia yetia, ya na worry.
Okay.
But if you need in Ghana pa. E dia ni edin Ghana kase pa e money bro.
Yeah.
E mono so yentimi nua dodo e beso Ghana nyina. E di Ghana kramo afibia e beso de yedie no so. Ye kana afibia. Eno na ama eche no buy thing our market.
Okay.
O go da veti o to plantain so.
But honorable sobo jam kakreba na misa.
Who dey wey?
Okay, 30 seconds na memra honorable Jojo Droso.
Good. Yeah. What is Ghana ye dia bro pa?
Yeah.
Ebro ye di ni ye produce ebro do aye die no. Ama ye ka bro efi amanone ebe so ye bro so. O ka no maka se Burkina fo ebe to bro ha. Ghana for so to bro e wo Burkina eye cross border trade o man no am se border bia Cote d'Ivoire ni ade no ye bi ko to bi ha e bi ko to bi ha eno nya export nya import ye ka export and importer ye have volumes ye export as a nation ye de kokoton any volumes ye import ba enya bi obi diga ha ni fie ha ni yire ha no akwa no
okay. But honorable, what is so mame?
Ensure food security. Mechanism there now you are quite Ghana that produce right.
Yeah.
Quantities no so other so yen.
But CP honorable Eric
Opoku
sir waji brani edi enkobo honorable Eric Opoku me da sepa honorable Jojo. So these are the concerns from colleague.
We very simple.
Okay.
Let's start with the fertilizer and all kind.
Yeah.
Also, can say a organic, inorganic fertilizer. Fertilizer you move to your organic and inorganic.
Yeah.
Tama COVID by Ukraine want to buy. We say the whole world, Ukraine, and Russia, they produce about 60% of fertilizer.
Yeah.
It's a market in say. So last year and this year, the ministry now shifted to organic fertilizer.
Okay.
The organic fertilizer and they are very cheap. Your liquid liquid now is between 40 cedis to 50 cedis, 1 liter. But every acre biano, we use 2 liters will be enough for the 1 acre.
Yeah.
That is 2 liters. And it's going to cost you maximum 120 cedis.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we use inorganic now, we have 3 bags. And it's going to cost you about 1,200.
Okay.
So now, you substitute the inorganic with organic.
Okay.
Then the difficulty was a liquid you spray.
Yeah.
Now who spray? The farmer be able to spray full bear 10 acres, 20 acres. Very difficult. And your companies you want drones. Okay. Drone who's the spraying?
Yeah.
I link you more bigger farms, you know. No it is also almost spray at the mouth. That's number one. So in terms of fertilizer now, because government and reduce way no. This is the interventional ministry no
but it is 35% this asabeto equiaforce no. How would they be able to break that gap?
When uncle to inorganic no 400 no And I'm just saying, you are diverting man now. They are using the organic, which is the liquid, and it's very cheap.
And I'm subsidized by 15%.
Yes. And we are in organic, very cheap. Later,
it is another boy of my animal 50%.
Organic.
Yeah.
The reason I'm saying we are going with the budget. The quantities.
Budget
oh, now Ghana there is no ministry in Ghana here.
Yeah.
And a budget, you release 100% amount that since government come time up to today. It doesn't happen like that. Never.
Throughout the year.
Every ministry throughout the year. Now, in case of say a minister and can
1 minute name.
Say here. It is starting and then no who they are.
Sure. Okay.
So what I say. It only abutre.
Okay.
And I was say you intimate store plantain ni one.
Yeah.
Sisi amino ka say KNUSC Department of Agric Engineering omaye yam the amaye.
Okay.
How we are going to store yam, the lifespan of yam depend on the variety. So by the way nyamieni odo and ebia how the lifespan omaye wi abode so omguso a omoye.
Okay.
Eti aban no
but you were enough storage facilities.
Oh, as at now there. Say MPB by storage facilities 80 with 1,000 metric ton capacity.
Okay.
Addition to the existing ones.
Okay.
The storage there you will be, but it's not enough for the country. But if you see it there, you will be okay.
But
at the time as well.
Time as well.
Any Mr. But Ghana for especially Accra for.
Okay.
In Nuane
okay.
The Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Ye bibi celebrate am ho be ha mo kakra. Enti ene ifine ekono.
Okay.
Wait my ba Ministry of Agric. Your three variety they started.
Okay.
Emo, a brew, emo, bayre, ena emo.
Okay.
They started. Next week, you know, you the more be come.
But as CP, Honorable George Odre, former Deputy Minister for Food and Agriculture, meeting their questions. Yamande besa ediesia background.
Eric.